Now abagusimama spindi mno sana soko resinga kichina simori chinga chino. Pole sana twadile kidogo kuchake show lakini final twani chake. Emitambo kawaida ngochiria sumbua. Lakini mwageneto naranate tashira. Yes, nalokupozi lega laptop yako. So mbiamuno sana balimuleka soko watch the video. Wajira live twata tena itoko cha live on every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday plus Sunday. Alitoka cha live kusi. But on English version, not on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Now, our guests, thank you so much for creating time with Kagam Times.
Thank you so much.
You are loud and clear. I'm happy about that.
Thanks so much.
Okay. Well, I think you are the best guest ever in the based on what is happening right now.
Yes.
Last time we had a discussion, you were talking about the Linda Mwananchi team ya Kurubusi. Was telling Matiangi. Just to make it clear, as one of the closest associates, Momo Richard Onyonka. A team of Linda Matiangi was ever Mutikin.
No. We haven't left Fred Okengo Matiangi, but the problem is, Fred is a new student in politics. So the only thing he doesn't understand what is happening when he's having these guys who are in the political arena for a long period of time. Richard Onyonka, Kibagendi have tried once, not twice. Then you have got new entrants now, Badia Barongo. We have got people like Ngoko. Those are guys who just came and they got into that political ponini. But I think the most experienced person in that political arena is Senator Richard Onyonka, and the way he's doing his politics, sometimes it's amazing. It is, to me, I don't take it for granted. So what Richard is doing all these things in good faith. Because as you understand, Fred is a technocrat, Fred is a manager, Fred has always been doing things we go hand in hand in terms of managing. And also, I think you understand what I need to bring across in terms of Fred being a manager. And is a person who believes that his duty is to work. But this work of mouth, to this side, I think is not Fred's talent. So the only person who has that talent is Richard Onyonka. And that's why Richard is trying to bring close Kolenta Fred ngora, so that Amanyanga, what do we need? For example, if you look Chikura Cheto Chagusi, for Fred has managed Kochibe Kamo, and this is through the support of Richard Onyonka. Richard is the one who has been persuading Fred to get into this political after the agency Fred. So Richard has been trying to market Fred probably on the television, and in big forums, either in Kisii and outside Kisii. So Fred has just become a brand until Oikirase are one of the principals, but about Oikaranza. There is no way that, again, Tokera Akoro without them not mentioning Fred. So what I'm trying to say about the issue of Linda Mwananchi, you see, Linda Mwananchi, Omontomana Sifuna, is now getting the mileage from the wrongdoings towards him. Fred Sifuna has gained a lot of sympathy from the people because, one, this is a person who they believed was a pro-Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. He was a serious diehard, and he was a person who was serving Raila with all his heart and energy. But you can be able to see now the water is trying to go filter around. So it has reached a point whereby now kutaka reward Sifuna now because of time go tenena ne policies na agendas cha baba. What we need to do now, we want enge ngaleka, and whereby Richard is in. So Richard, what he's trying to do is trying to persuade Fred. It is God sent. What we need to do is let us try to have the Western and the Nyanza to kemo. And that is why sometimes I felt so bad when I never saw Fred Gakoenda Trans Nzoia. I say, abantu balenga in a very big number. Okwarocha Bungoma, abantu balenga vange sana. That's why I wanted Fred to call, because kurukare omogusino monto Western no moruya. Abana abantu balenga ntekemo. From previously Babo Buocha, You understand? Kere kijana Amaru anenge vice president, you could be able to see Babo Henry Obocha, Bago Toko. And Henry Obocha won his political position mostly in Ford Kenya. And Ford Kenya was a party which was basically from the Western region. So again, talking about Linda Mwananchi, we are passionately trying to work with Fred, but we also want Fred also. Atoro Kinga is willing and he's interested, in fact, in moving close with these brothers of his, like Unababo Sifuna. Let him not look on the edge. Let him look on where we want to go. And let him do a unifying factor. Because again, Tonkara some of us tomotagete, Nabenga Kero Kuruka, Notagete Nyanya, Chumbi. So Fred is one of it.
Oh no, Tiana, very sorry more from just what you said. You expected Fred to be in Western last weekend with Sifuna.
Absolutely.
I thought it was a function of lawyers where they were crowning Edwin Sifuna. No.
You see, Natembeya is a principal. And he invited him. You see, again, it is Western Nyanza, na bali bakole Central Eastern. Understand? That's what we are fighting in. So that bali babloki the Central na Eastern chibe kwamo. Na intutobuga the Nyanza, that is where Kisii is, the Kuria, then we bring the Western. Because let me tell you, we only need 2 counties. If you want to sing Antwabagusi, etwanjite Fred Mono with the 2 counties, that is Nyamira and Kisii. Our population will not prepare us probably for that position. We cannot be able to negotiate properly. But Kertogo Kwana Buya na Baba na Tembeya, Tokwana Baba Sifuna Buya, they can even say, at least let us give a technocratic, Tomolente Tomoni, and then to negotiate. If Gachagua and Kalonzo, by Karanza, Batenga, we want a vice president, then we can agree. Na into telling a key to a Fred Mune president, then we give it. It is just what are we getting Keratole in that boundary?
Bono, just to make it clear, some Gusioleka, to understand what the Linda Mwananchi team ya Gusiera about. Precisely, Linda Mwananchi team was support Sifuna.
Yes.
Was support Sifuna.
Yes.
Paka to an extent, Richard out Evanga Sifuna the 6th.
Yes.
How does that help Matian?
What about Kere Kalonzo Musyoka Tebetenga? Fred is one of the is the only is the only medicine to Ruto. Abakamba na kiba igwet. What if when Gachagua said, I think Fred deserves to become because he has a record even when he says that you see one thing bro Tebi is all these people are ever in the opposition. And this is a very serious team. They don't want to show their true movement because Ruto is very clever. If they start showing it now, that means Ruto will capitalize on that and they will pull them down. So what they are doing, Sifuna, bro, you have to make that guy also feel Richard Nambegetange. So go bargain in case Baralenga because Abaruya wale 3,000. That's why you're trying to persuade your Langone team ya bacha na 1.5 million. Abaruya wale 3 million. Abagere Mwata wale 1.5. Then to probably 1 million plus. So when we come together and as a unit to get one common agenda, to Western Nyanza, it will enable us. That one statement here, Richard, should not be seen as a statement. That statement has a lot of weight. Aso Moruya. No Moruya kera uchi spoka tebanga now. Ncheni Sifuna no moke. Maybe the bonda amueti the nekeroye but one of the kingmakers. Arangel Fred. How will you see? Won't you say that Abaruya ba feeling that they have been sacrificed by Sifuna? But Sifuna will have a message to say. Omogusi, Omogere, Naintu Abana Bomo. Ekere Kerekewocha Matega. Purposely, it is going to help us. Either over president or say over vice president. We are getting it. So again, whatever Onyonka is doing is trying to make our ground softer. But if we say that into the Koba Tuometo Kiring and Tunkurgusi, about the Balibaku Mincha, by Karansana Bantaba Central, by Karansana Bantaba Eastern, then Totugutore King into tweak. So let people take Onyonka's statement, not lightly, but they take it as something he's doing purposely for a prosperity, for posterity yomo Gusino mo Kenya.
Okay. Bono, though Lende Trava very clear from you.
Yes.
Yes, Nebo Yandonga, you are making the ground softer for Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i. But when you look at the
Yes.
entire picture, Mungwano Kurugodi Sifuna is rising drastically, and it appears
Yes.
from the public eye nga Gubuwale Matiang'i's popularity.
Not
It
even
also
Matiang'i.
is
Not
when it
even Matiang'i. Even
across,
Kalonzo. Even
even
Rigathi is
Kalonzo.
feeling the weight of Sifuna.
Yes.
Yes.
So, kera Sifuna ko mo kera team ya Gusii led by Richard Monyong Kabagu kid Sifuna to that extent. When are they going to support Matiang'i?
Can I tell you one thing? The only thing is Taringa no Nyonko in Sifuna. It is the ODM as a party back in Sifuna.
No,
Understand?
now from the angle, yo como support.
Yeah. You know,
this.
Onyonka is in ODM. Kibagend is on ODM. Obadia is in ODM. These are the ODM family. And in fact, whatever they are doing, for them, Kobeka, their positions at risk. Muna bono Richard, ay mokatebe, I'm supporting Jubilee. Mogasoi gorgosabe ke, ebicha ere kanenga Richard Jubilee. That means, bro, we'll go for a by-election. So these guys are trying to work smarter. So when they're working, when he's talking about Sifuna, already Sifuna has shown they're supporting him. They're not saying that Sifuna as a party, but they're supporting Sifuna as an individual. So when we have got Fred Okengo Matiang'i, that means for them, they have already decided to sacrifice their positions. And even Bao Barongo, they have sacrificed their development, which they're supposed to get. Because you see, what is happening in our country is, if you are not with the government, it means several privileges. But now these gentlemen, sacrifice whatever they want to sacrifice. But they have not come out into your Jubilee members. Whatever they are saying, you cannot be able to tag them, even in the court of law. Whatever now, because Mbabugatere in a way that to the Koranta, whatever, Babekir Night Poster, Chiabo, whatever to achieve Jubilee. But they have not said. That's why it becomes very easy for them. Whatever to Sifuna to Bugate. Sifuna is one of them. Sifuna has not even said that he's not in ODM. He's still in ODM. But they are trying to bring the muscle. Yawanto Baliba, we say support ya, Sifuna lekane, so that Kerto go bagi. That's why Koroche Sifuna Chetomati and Bakaransa, Bagakuana, and whatever agreed. Some of us we don't know. Then why are we not taking that as an offense? Freddy Komera Sifuna. Is he not making Sifuna more popular? Because his popularity at that time it was higher than Sifuna.
Is it a concern also to the leaders of Agusii, especially Richard, that Matiang'i's popularity?
I don't know where you get the figures. Please give me the figures so that we are Fred is on top.
Hold on, David. Hold on.
This one.
Okay. Diga chango vodio. Okay.
Kwe bande liandomire. Amagani mbu yamana soko esho.
Yes, bro.
Lakini asinare kwa tebire nga nande narora kibagende ka ko tebige ndeki mambia segesa.
Yes.
I don't agree with that point.
Yes.
Kwa sababu ise koligereri moko tanga babo kibande bako tabo bo ete kogenda batangase nga baro murengori nga bachiko seriku. Nga epa election yeje bare bateba. Kuma eteri bono iga nga na bagenda batambuke ase bono iga pa election te koba. Sababu lichi kolia inde. To kora election aiya to election.
Yes.
Pero que maene igo bono na tambuka ta kunyara pa election te kunyara ko korekan.
Yes.
Number 2, tiango example. Mubunge naro sauti mugira onoti mugirango li Steve Mugaka.
Yes.
Steve Mugaka tariko support UDA Mugasuigoro.
Yes.
Ngakere Jubilee tara moseli.
You see, Jubilee policies, Chiabo and ODM, they're totally different, bro. akanda mwamu nkaro konyora kara se ODM gatari as Jubilee because man egori Uhuru as the party leader is not petty as ODM guys. So you know ODM guys are so desperate because they're seeing Sifuna is raising and his graph is going higher, and that's one thing they want at least to sacrifice. Kero monto dama tengo sirogo chia, you only want to use all orthodox utaka koro monto. Lakini bwana Uhuru is not that, he's not even interested.
Njoma tengo buga tirichiko political party rules injiro ya kwamba kero support ye party ende pe upe ubwenera to rusi guo.
Na ngadonya tarusiri. Mwana minto na ngadonya tarusiri because she's in Wiper. Kalonzo is not petty. But what is happening is bona onte tengo amanga abantu abu asa Jubilee mbando kwa rusiri in the committee. Donya tararusiwa but in ODM Sifuna rusirigu, Onyonko rusirigu, Kibaga ndio rusirigu, Obadio rusirigu. Tell me.
Okay, bona tatebe girori oruoba na rusetugu UDA kerare ko support Matiang'i.
Yes.
Iko bona tobeke ina conclusion kwamba Jubilee tebu atinguru era seri mondo.
No, tell you Tinguru. You see, every family has their own policies and any plans. So what is happening in Jubilee? Those people, they are not that petty. Nangabano endo nyataru usiri.
No, igo bako bunarichi ko sababu iso ko igora bona igarichi ko lia kere party.
Yeah, that is it. That's what I'm telling you. You see, Karonza renkobo montomo be dango tomira donyaka because donyaka be gachianga cha UDA.
Asinaro tarangigu. Jenda ke tebyo ngosi ibu atiro di chikolie party.
Yes.
Chikolie party. Okay, enda no roots party ya wachakoyo nyendrie bwato mubunge. Kero go support e party ende, ugo dige party eri ko irete parliament, o bwenere to ko ende pa election. Sapo ko sina bwekire party te yeta kwa tichiko.
Yes.
One kero go nde ina babono mbali peti igo mbali ko bwati chiko, mbasi ke tichiko. Go sege ndongere bawo.
Omano minto that's the reason why even our country is going down. Do we normally follow the law? You know, this is the country. Normally, as we speak, with some of us, we are not angels. We know, as but we keep on moving, right or wrong? That is why I'm giving this one as an example. Who is the party leader of Wiper? Kalonzo Musyoka, right? Who is the party leader of Jubilee?
Uhuru Kenyatta.
Yes. So that's what I'm telling you. If Uhuru as a party leader could be that malicious enough, Steve Mogaka, we could be having a by-election in West Mogrango. But the problem is what is happening in ODM. Abantu batigire party omugaka uri okorokunga nero buru. Omonto tigire party okorukunga nere Simba Buharati. Omonto tigire party nere Junet. These are people but cruel. These are the people but so malicious in every step. Bone ga manyenga barore ne biche ya senator Richard Onyonka begete na ne biche ya Jubilee. These are the people bakoli kamaru very fast na gotomera gwetangu na ngamatenga murusi e party. So what these guys are doing, they're only talking and they know what they're talking and they measure their words. They could have even pulled these guys long time ago. That's why you saw even Kibaga India and Rusuku Parliament because sometimes they could even raise some issues, chile very petty, issues, chile chingia, lakini kwa nyarabaro wale very petty, batanga kura seyo monto ikor Parliament.
Okay.
And ba koranga no bugate ground boronge. They get scared. But right now, we have no problem for us to have those guys. So, okay, some of them, they are now planning to do that. But what now they've concentrated on as a brother is they want to see how they can be able to muscle the votes. So Richard is not trying to...
Number 2.
Yes, bro.
Interest ya zango nyerigere njena maoni ya your personal views.
Very valid.
Jubilee kwata banga Uhuru taliso malicious. To inyore kiture kindiki alenge a whip yes a majority leader yes Senate.
Yes.
Era ngeta ko support Ruto. Ngiki abeta ko senju party yo ko ta banga tali malicious.
Who was the Secretary General? Who was the Secretary General by that time?
Secretary General alikuwa
who were the officials?
Secretary General alikuwa huyu nani? Huyu
Si Rafael Tuju.
Rafael Tuju.
Yeah. Then who was the party leader? Who was the deputy party leader? William Ruto. Yeah. You see, Mwana Minto, that is the reason you saw Glory Orobago Tomwa, because these people, they need Keremore Ogate presidency at Ayomonyene. One thing you need to see, if you allow those people, that's why the reason why I go give that disciplinary measures for them to have their numbers. Chile constant for the president not to be munenteke kwa rochega abajumbe bakwenda bakali ba impeach president, but when it be ako discipline in that party, when he's in power, there's a difference between Kerale power na Keratali in power.
Okay. Number 2. Wait first. Ngoja David, David, hold on. So, Philip, you've said in a nutshell, they are playing safe in Linda Mwananchi.
True.
Okay, that's fine. Now, General Usukubalige the entire team ya Kurugusi, Kobana Sipuna right now.
Yes.
How do they benefit as individuals?
No, they don't benefit as individuals, but they benefit as a community.
So they benefit a community Mugusi by being with Sipuna.
Yes.
Okay.
Abasegi, Abasani, but indirectly.
Indirectly.
Yes.
You go on to expecting go deliver Sipuna's material.
When they're going for a round table and about you can answer in the room that some of us we don't understand what is happening. They're the people ki eke maena Sifuna. I know Mwano Minto. Eke nte ko montora nyare go fix yo monto muina. Ayebeka nyamboto na bago tokonya.
You know Mapua.
David, hold on. So let's expect negotiations. There's a chance Singh and Abaka Sifuna on the other side. But in a scenario where Sifuna has emerged to be very powerful,
yes,
and like Kenyans are talking about him being the presidential candidate,
yes,
and the
two Omano Mitota Tankobori. Turatika togenda okay Richard batike bache bakora market Matiang'i nkaga baronga cha mu market trends to kire nkaga ratings cha Matiang'i ngai chiko kore.
Okay, what I feel is that once go to market kusiga, it is not really ideal ngabos na valega, but one okurigel collective na bonds vale aselinda Mwananchi bonds telling hello semba viru sevata.
Yes,
the entire team.
Yes.
Now, but Bono, to just give an example, Matiang'i went to Utawala Church, which is the most recent occasion. He was literally alone. Na kimata divided tia alto nyo na mba very very nair. Oyo ndeva ga representing the Mwananchi the other side.
Osero tarengo.
Osero was there, then he disappeared at the rallies.
No, he was there. Kanisa bagasaba bagakora. And the two Matiang'i confirmed dinga the other members mbasa betama bagabakagenda. Because there was a meeting on the other side.
Okay.
For him to have requested Kobasabire permission, that means he was in acceptance with whatever was happening. That means naenda bana ukera bale moina ngote abale botambe ngaki ntumo ntotomete moina nyamboto. Fred Matiang'i.
Aba ukwane kera bale gesa osese platform yake usi.
Yes, that's the term they use.
Iko tomanyanga team ya Linda Mwananchi that in coherent na Matiang'i aso kuganda Sifuna.
That's why you saw even Sifuna at Karen office ya Matiang'i.
Okay. Now, I saw your clip today.
Yes.
What is the issue?
You see, what is happening is particularly for the growth of Fred, apart from what you guys had change, na ndo muntu bari chora abakonya ba make change Fred Okengo Matiang'i. You see, into my own thinking, bonega we already took a party Agoroku Jubilee, but my own feeling is Fred could have pulled up the UPA party, anyewe moldi era mwenyene, aende igorali achiko negotiate nero. Then Kerebabo Sifuna Bakorosi party, they'll form a coalition which they are going to use, and then they will sign. Because if Fred is popularity and Sifuna is popularity, Gachagua is popularity, and Kanozo is popularity, when you bring them on the table, they'll have a very serious formation for Barosi a team and a very formidable, which I know they will do. But when they are going to bargain, DCP will bargain their own, Wiper will bargain their own, Fred will bargain, but understand with but kiandra iniringa tariaro go bargain monto go bargain nere ne president but kerabwa te party ya UPA he will ensure batavinga gusina rokiri under UPA then amanyako yanatebe ko Nyanza matega orengonye rokiri through the party they are going to come up with. So what we are trying to say is again take Morana now is trying to make abantu abandi to popularize Matiangi but a bit passive, and when he's going to do that it is going to make abantu feeling a kinga kibono nyonka kiretega na kibono baronga kiretega na kibono kibagendia kirega. You understand? They will also pretend babere gusiga Freddy kago chaba mabwate lakini karabale gali they are not there, but even we are waiting to get a nomination ya Jubilee. Whoever takes the party is okay. Some of us will take affiliate parties cha Jubilee muna PDP muna UPA to ire birogo byaitu, and through that for them they will gain but they Matiangi gochiga. So what we are saying, I used to come very honest. No, David Yorensat, I'm very honest. Abantu wa market Fred to the point he's Fred Obeke mine. Onyonka has done a very key role. Kibagende has done it. Baronga has done it. Engoka has done it. I don't know whether you'll object me from that.
No, we agree. They've played a huge role on supporting.
So once they've done, now when Kebaso comes publicly, Okwana, don't you see that he's trying to kill the morale of these serious participants? Because before we never had such kind of an engagement. What we had is Onyonka Noare, Gwikarine Mwananchi, Aira Nemo Inoga. But Elibacha Gatenga, they are popularizing in area. We even make Wabosifuna Batanga key. We are too selfish. Because Omoru Yanomo Gusino Mogere, we are neighbors, bro. We should not even feel.
A question that has just come through here through my WhatsApp. Someone is asking, yeah? Yes, it's okay. Korokinga, Abagusi, Abaluya, Ntoram, through joining Sifuna.
Yes.
But why is it that Baluya Varagumba go endorse Matiangi? Not seeing them endorse Matiangi anywhere. They don't accompany Matiangi. There are MPs who do not even find themselves around Matiangi at any point. Why is it that in Abagusi Tokwana and Barumba reciprocate?
I was in Kitale and I saw Omonto Kurukuna Tembea with some few members of parliament. They went and met Yabagusi and they discussed. And they said Fred is worthy to become the president of the Republic of Kenya. I can even share the photos. They were him, Dr. Mukisa Kitui. There is this guy who is a very serious writer. They were seated at Kanini Kitale Club. And they sat down and they agreed they are going to work together. Because this Fred Abantabange. They went and sat with him. Understand? So Nchetinda Ranga Bantuba could reject Fred. Yeah. Some of them are willing, but what they want to see is the energy and the figure ya Fred Kerosoka isiko mune yebone ko gendera atale kapisa tomorrow lechi sunroof because umwana minto kokora yendo yikorokunga the mall strategy kokora chikorokunga town hall meetings. You know, sometimes they are good, but this is a time we need to see him ugoralia muna sifuna gotara. Town hall meetings, we only meeting technocrats, you understand? But the real people you need to meet, umero mwananchi, ako eresa ngakiruta abachandire. Yes.
Alafu mokwa. Iswari ndire ngo mubori. Mete ekiameke ya Jubilee nonye tole ime. Bato ntobwata maswali gete tokobori ataraba clarified.
Yes.
Number 1. Who is the party leader ya Jubilee?
Uhuru Kenyatta.
Uhuru Kenyatta. Ngayagoru.
Centro.
Aya, bona igankia makie kwano Centro.
DCP.
What is the purpose of making a political party to take power?
Yes.
Is Jubilee ne what stamina era influence power?
Tebuati.
Aya, number 2, tuachakire korora monto kuna Pauline Njoroge kolire egasi ase Jubilee for 8 years
otambukire ochire
nkia gutambukira na nero bwate experience kokora ase party 8 years ando manye gutambukira benga ochire linda mwananchi teraba chama nkia manye tekera abwa gutambuka mapema tari kuratiga rendera erabe chama mayote yabanga na achire
twese komonyora ntomobori na bago totebi
David
ayora kagere kiagara bona norange yani toko geseri ntuntori gatanga na bere ngoroje ke kogera igentongere mamanyi
Mwana mitu sometimes ebi ntombira tuwente kwa very honest and very factual on it. Freddy arenge wanja ke mwanya bantu. You see abantu bagusiba itomba kwanete. Ndate ngo David ominto. Eto kenga Freddy na chita kuye kya makerikia kya UPA. Kose igore party arenge nyigari yae. Tell me how many members of parliament could be in that party and how many people could be following him through that party.
Only Rikisi.
Abantu banenge bangocha kumugati eto ke UPA na ero ke bugata mne party leader. Oge koni gusiga. That is what happened with Nyachae. Nyachae came with his party, that is Ford Kenya. I was even reading, he got all members of parliament. Then that's the time we had several PSS, that's the time at least we could be able to negotiate. Bona ikakera tubugate Freddy Agutar. Then Uhuru Kenyatta achatebe, inche patiane, na nyata achiri, na ikiama ya Fred. Nka yoroche wait ya korekana.
Ase kiama ya Fred.
That is what Fred could have done. It is going to become hard on us, bro. Konya epati. Go in that. See few examples. I'm sorry to say this. Go to South Mugrango. Who is a competitor for Silvanus Osoro?
Makori, somebody. Songo.
What are the rates? Chai from the NIS.
It's below average. I'm not sure, but it's below average.
Is already beaten by Silvanus.
Yeah.
Understand? So, yeah, that is what I'm telling you. The problem, the blunder these guys have done is, because time is not yet gone, Fred can be able to make this. Let us have our party, ya UPA, Fred Anyire, abeke press conference. I'm sorry, I've been working in Jubilee, this is a party, but my real party ne then Urubai Karanze, that's the time to sorry little bit. Because you got Jubilee. So let us have our house. Party leader, the national people, Mombasa, then let's check on your market. Muna DCP correct. Muna wait correct.
Mateni kiata irete kulingana na maoni yane. Kiata irete UPA you.
And I felt he was looking that he's going to get heavy support from Uhuru Kenyatta and family.
No, otarai kanona Uhuru Kenyatta umete okay era irete na abaikoyo at Jubilee kiagara no ebwate foundation kurubi are koleta kiama kia UPA abaikoyo bare korana tari one of them nona bona era karigereringa aise koleta kiama kia Jubilee andake nabukira mu association uti abantu ba murima already so akini bononge yani ngera peak bona aba egira undige gotebanga ekere nakasako asako batebe bagende bona abuno siase kuche kusarekera onye kasako ni mind ka bwate karonza ko support kuna ko ba esiki nonga na sikaronzo egira undige onski ya chiro.
That is it. Arrangements, Nyole, the chairperson of Jubilee, that is the national chairperson, Vincent Kemosi, through the help of Philip, and I'll find him.
Yeah, you'll get him. You'll get him.
He comes on board some of these questions, David. I'm going to move on assurance in what is happening.
Yeah, true.
But on the same note, you will party in a scenario where Linda Mwananchi are also party, Mr. Philip.
Yes.
Will the team Linda Mwananchi still stick with the other side?
No, one thing, once they've done the party, I know that one is not happening now, it's not happening and soon, but Babugatan have their own plan when they're supposed to launch it. And that is why I wanted Fred to be part of it.
Okay.
Keraba muna bonega David omwana ominto ose mokwa. Me, there's one thing which normally I felt. Muna bono Sifuna chiete Western. I felt Fred could be there.
I know could support, but okay, how could it have made sense? Not afraid to kill.
No. It could have said that people could have seen. Yeah, because people could have not even endorsing. One thing you could have said, kama Sifuna atashinda kwa nini? Kama ni Sifuna tutamshika mkono. Na Sifuna ukiona ni mimi, shika mimi mkono tuende mbele. You see, people could have taken it. Ndoche bana Fred tabuga tiwobe. Na Fred abatebi, mimi kwa roho yangu sina roho chafu. This a young brother is growing. If he's the one, I'm ready to support him. And the Sifuna. Na Sifuna nale uli kondo, atebe kama itakuwa ni Fred amechaguliwa, mimi nitampatia. Ama namna gani utasikia watu watasema ndio. Because the Kisii and the Western and the Luo were one thing.
Era kutoleke usiga ati yango boli Philip. Ori sure bagenda support Matian.
Abagera? No, mwana minto, I'm very sure because we've been supporting them for a long period of time. It will look that Baruga Banyene Baraba Ngiti that they don't want to support us. What will it make them not support? Because na roho lengo akorangeli Fred uchiaero maate. Bakakoro mochango bakasoka Kisumu. Nkarabali received vya. Bagote banoto na Fred abagera bagogete bwe batenga oyon Fred wikirega. And I saw Fred has got muscles all over because Fred na kunete krase.
Diga yana kunacho umwana diga na kunacha.
David, hold on.
A story agotosomi bya sana no roje bagoteba kurusagini na Jaramogi.
Yes.
Ekera Jaramogi agatenenire na jitenga bwati nini story yungi gyako geraba abagere keroba barabata geteto ba support ba ekoranga ba musiba ko ba support lakini wakeroba aro ndo mugusia imokire mbali ko support sagini ari gukana o support Jaramogi. Urikari bono bakanyakonyereta ikero nyacha ya tenenete tu bakagamba mpaka na Raila. Ika kamotiga iko bono no bako nyakobera na matiangiga aikari ya motige agende no na Sifuna aenda ndo. Kwa story hiyo bono na kurikereria bagere strategically barabu bale ase serikali to kunyara kubarusio.
Yes.
Na bono na ande bono rengo baroje ngatabugati stamineri yani umaite barabu bono baroje yani baroje kuna digabono ngata ibuno bokabira bogoja no roje kero baroje bono aba iko baro pinzani na barabu bale ase serikali mba guchiamo mbanya kwenda kisiasa amo bona bagere bako bera ase serikali na liba pinga aba ikoyo warole niko na komusana orengarete okay na areta akoreta abakera lakini ta akoreta ini huge number orengarete ngawareta abagere ba decide nga baraburu to bago support.
Okay, thanks for the insights. You got the Philip Noroji what the ground is about. Wantu mbatu asatipo keremba tu achikura lakini kole ndeti atole te gasi akoro linda wananchi tora how far we can stretch
Yes, but kere kwali geretik na mwananchi na ODM. Kere kwa to opinion polls mbara ibata ngaine.
Linda mwananchi.
Yes, na tanga ine Kisumu.
70-something%.
Yes. So that's what I'm telling you abantu bali moinali mbaje babeto good sana. So nchena ngotaka bantu bali Fred yabebera likapisa bali na Raila ngwaro chikabwate wave agatebanga oyotosha. Beka Fred na riba ko mosokesi bitenye takakora bitu.
Okay. Now, we're almost coming to the end of the show, but I think Fred, being the first day, Philip, I think but is Richard Onyonka heading for the Bantero race?
Yeah, we are ready for it. But you see, first of all, there's a proper negotiation. He has even said Tigamacho Gwara Atara, Naomingo Magarara Atara, Ondali Atara, Baradengo Bwate numbers, Bakonyano Nyonko Bwate, Nabaraba Mweba Bwate si Richard. Richard Yakonyamacho Bwate, Amu Bwate. By the way, for us to probably secure as a position ya Bosongo, Lava Tinyo Bech Comerana. Manyariba Tigara Chama Manyanga, nabwate purpose yo gutwara unit of purpose no mugetutu are ready omugirango are ready so that abantu abakoba boss amo baya agree na ende batu abaswaro their pride simba koba one time bro lakini bakogenda bacha kweminchirana onyonka kwireke na nemwetigi simba ira nekeroko kerita naenda abantu baitu bakori kuna green army paka banje
Jana abo ari Sydney. Omate gusiya ito ndobwate gento gikoro clanism. Tari o maene.
yes
Ngwaye akurubuke tutu ase nyomba ya abo nyonga.
yes
Akakambe miaka 10. Bakayewa baseneta.
yes
Ugambe miaka 5.
yes
bono igan aniresi mosokio muntu bono ulio onye machoku taisa inyi bono mosokio muntu mungao bono munyali bali mu prepare motebi machoku bono okioyo lakini arithmetically enjere sabu yake siasa egwako abanyali bali na bange bali 127 into kuchia 1000
50 abanyali bali 150 plus
okay siyuko accurate lakini 150 igo baise ko chamo bakonsolte kura cy'abanyali bali bonzi mind yunga abanyali bali muntu tanya koruo osokiro obo gavana ogambire bamanya ko nyore support ya bo nyonga kuruwa saba getuto nyonga atikare senator alafu bono bamanya ko genda bumajoge chukuranjiro chinyingo maite nande bono bamajoge bali kwa kamo na babasi warorire
yes
majoge running mate kuruba majoge strategically baji ko chora kurubugirango kuranjiro nyinge meta bono kulikina neke
numbers
nando mingwa magara no mubeka bune running mate tabuati political stamina omato muntu okonyete simba oyo monda alikuwa strong nero taifate chikura chiaba nyali bali kono the moment moko tanga mukobe konyonga simba ko ira na maambi sababu abantu bakateba kwa naba ketutuboka kusono maita bakusi nebe yo nyonga ngo korale gazi na bako kora nale strong lakini bono uko itobo tase bono igo nyonga itobo tatebenga kulingana na hesabu tikaba support macho na bagubagu atine
yes
lakini kako tenga ngo sokale na macho kunere tagotiga na macho kunapa mutikera abantu bako ikabaira nenga kwani nande tokwira ni boketutu onyore chikura cha sarekire.
So what we are saying, like Richard Yagoteba nga egasi ayo baseneta anyanjete because yara gwakano asogo kwana. Tabu ati problem is willing to do it egasi ayo. But rene machogu tigetome to nyali bali ko mokwana rogorna mate to ko yama kwande because all tego tegera some few months machogu na better rated high sana. Kera sana kwanetu. But I don't know what happened now. Ratings tia chirense sana. So what he needs to do tigera nda concentrate na banyali bali sana ara kwana banyali bali bamwabo atare na buo kera kolre Richard Onyonka is willing to support him bagirine deputy bagirine women rep bagokore binte yo mwana minto Richard is more than willing to give him the 80,000 votes akwandra bagetutu rogorna mate abrukane chia banyali bali ago chakera 210 yeah akomenter bogirango nese women rep ekoru nasbachu kwa gire speaker ekoru. He will be talking about 300,000 votes.
Bone speaker bogirango. Aya, running metire bo machoge.
Yes.
Obugoira nebo bas.
Yes.
Waroride. Alafu obo gavana boira ne nyali bali. Alafu bono obo sema boliteini. Nini boliteini bogetu bakude sabu eyu. Bakorire sabu na bereo.
Chenko angeli kwa ikaransi obatebya.
Barangeli. Philip, what I can advise is that machogunaba ntako anya onyonka kumikera matia abe bwangu. The way things are right now, Bacha kutaka wana matango kawe expect kugenda. We want to see macho.
Arangeria abantu naenda atare kabisa osoke kerago kora asigatanya nsuneka obeka makondo tenna okwandira abantu basaba chikura gako na nyambo giranga sa tokire ando sine stop of obeka chinyinge obakwandro batembya mona abana baminto kuriginde kero kenkonye.
I expect Nigeria worked very dormantly. Zimbabwe mubwako kwa muna mwet last time.
Ana magosere bobe, I know.
So please tell him to wake up. It's a man. Na mboni gani natumwaga tomzina such platforms mune chinchiro. Ako kana media team ya teya kwa matavinga there are platforms of this kind you can go and say one or two. Kama iti.
Na ndabone ebiongozi ebyombitakeire mwa bareta agato abatebi turojibuna ndugu yane atebire ngakwa abatebi bono metonye ndiri abarenga kanga na abatebi egento kiregira undi buna tugerengerereti.
Njanda ngocha grande chairperson ya Jubilee Philip Odebri como gambira.
I'll give you Kemosi then turange Richard ase show
Richard, we can have him on the weekend or Thursday. Yeah. Now, just to round up on the questions I had for you. Sorry, you were saying something? David Karati Kakeo. Philip, you were saying something.
I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
Okay, the question I was asking is it's about the Matiang'i's team and Matiang'i's campaign naturally, generally. Una mukuriye from your inner team, special kuro nyonka side. Na kimuro chako kwa ndiye. Matiang'i biyari kwa na generally say campaign we prepare for 2027.
Ayatoko kwa no maitara ya itonka abana bantu mbaigwa ntoli buya mwana mintu ntoli ntuanjire lakini ntoli buya. Yeah, we need to pull up our socks. We are not doing better. We are not. Mwaka is not a politician. He's only thinking of the now the grassroots meetings. They are not nice at this time of the pese because bana bante bate to monto so kamuna gashagwa. Kere gwa so kiro gotara kwera na batuko gwa kole mekutano. Mambi gwa soka kwera na batuko gwa kole mekutano. Ero monyene is not somebody who is willing to attack the government about the wrongful things they are doing. Muna gashagwa go chanechi ne na GI. Usemu no korra seneta gukwana. Kwa nyana seneta gukwana. Seneta gukwana ne chinguru chons. So Fred doesn't do that. Fred feels happy kere seneta gukwana, mote ya kwana, lakini atate gukwana. So Fred needs to come out clear.
Have you guys tried to do anything at least for Mugaid? And the committee a third politician as such.
Kinta etemo kwanda tele tukeli maonya wa Fred. Also can script ya hauna. But I'm telling you, by the kwanza nko bangande. Uko bangande Richard David Tobora.
No ndenje no ndakira lituko.
Mogenda na yonde babere mweka. Inuma endente Richard abakobe mo ende kare ni momonyore monywe chae abakwanire mwa kuchibicha.
Igo.
Aina mokoro mokutano nde aina mogenda Eskimo. Eskimo no moraje monte ibya go Nairobi na bera abe softer. Eskimo no ndada konte ibya.
Lakini egentongera kwa kwani na kiringiri egentongiro rio bare goteba. Matiang'i nabwata abantu ina sako. Bari ba decision batatagetia abande baike abantu bakuru America.
Ake mwana no. Aya unoje mna toko akiti gatoke kwana nge soka. Aya ninche mbange I organize.
Tusa kadasi tokorwa.
Akiti I organize. Gachagua has met all people mna baba mukwa. You see, David, the time I even take Mukwa motiving again, don't ready na Mwananchi opinion polls. Mo basa korra bobe. Yeah, don't sit. Mo basa kunyena negative. We need a person who appreciates the efforts and the talent.
Okay.
What appreciate platforms manage?
I want naenda chega Sifuna can even come here. You can interview him.
I'll be glad to do that.
Sifuna, you can interview him. But now Fred will ask you several questions until you So one thing I want, I organize. I don't know when you're in Nairobi. I tell Richard to David Tabora again though. so that kera gocoka ang'eri chiburia timba sako banje na motebi
Ama friend ni
let us agree kwamba ndombare bago kulta short.
yes
Hiyo ndo
onyongana ya mwabo. Onyongana ya mwabo.
Richard has done a lot of donkey work, but let us wait. Ama tuna na wala soke.
Taibo.
Lakini atara soka ba kimotoke. Njengo basabira maya motoko. And I'm doing that thing very soon, by the way. Mukwa, I'll do that for you. Sure. Anytime you're in Nairobi, just tell me. I'll organize moving on Richard.
From here to Nairobi, I just travel at night. Saa 5 nimetoka.
Yes.
By morning niko huko. So anytime watu ukisema kesho jinga niko kwa taka.
Yeah, we'll organize. We will even pay for that fare. Oche. Don't even use your money. Yes, we can organize. Ayobo golichi camera chiao.
Nyako teba. Ereta nyako tigera gento nchera.
Lakini wababa toge tigera nchera. Influence ya onere.
Tigankore rende okay ngotema ko kore kure ngotema ko rengereri tu. Agotebere arikiria ngere kera chakire gento tanya gugetigera nchera.
Yes.
Bono nkoro resi nari onyo tebire nga yabanda ba nengo baira na ndo bo maena ise kutiga bono tali obo president simba ba koira negira ondi bale no soro bataifa ati chikure chichonsi pichi seberera kana sababu tali president yo candidate ngia gotebie gesaku so na ro resi nari onga matiangi na ba komekia onyaba ba komorokia mandaro nga ne chikure chinka bwate na ba kokora una nyacha akorete.
I agree. But before I get in that direction, I wish ategerere buno yonda como banga Richard. Ategerere tu. Oko tegerere tali bobe.
Sababu
are you thinking Richard and Matiang could be in good terms right now?
No, they're in good terms, but okay. he needs to be very tali kire gento mo ko dia tek. Go chora go filter information sia ya go pick. But let him always pick 80% of what Richard tells him. I don't know. Baby, Richard didn't come access yet, but that one I can tell you for sure.
Okay. Well, Philip, we have hit 52 minutes. I want to see in the comment section what people have for you. Mondrala watanga akurukunga notification headquarters watanga mukua tiga tove honest na Matiang'i. Jubilee is taking him nowhere.
Yes.
You remember we did an interview last year November and we said it will cost him dearly.
Yes.
So meaning people are not in support of Jubilee as such.
Yes.
But ground when I walk around, people are in Jubilee based on Matiang'i's decision in Jubilee again.
Yes.
So we are looking to see whether that will translate to votes. Now, I think we have two guests who are upcoming. That is the Senator of Kisii County, Richard Mwemonyonka. I think he'll give us, and then the chairperson of the Jubilee Party, national chairperson of the Jubilee Party.
Yes.
Vincent Kemosi. Now, what the questions? Chair party.
Okay.
So, Richard, Philip, before we wind up, I want to thank you for accepting to be here today.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Yes, I was saying this was the first time we have engaged, but now, out of a short notice, we accept to watch on board to share with us on what is happening in relation to Linda Mwananchi team.
So,
Ngiora tevya Mwananchi wa Kisii County Korea. Already we are at, I'm seeing already almost 1,000 people are watching the show here. Richard, as we wind up.
I think Richard is a patriot, is a person who means well for this nation, is a person who means well, or mean it well as a county yetu ya Bosongo, is a person who speaks okuana mind yae, and is a person who wants to make umugusine rasikwe atoko on the round table yo bogai boigoro. So again to yogango bateria to aminto tobasa kwe Richard for granted tomwire muno omwana umugusi omwana oteresia boronge o amwete gusuguma egurudumu ejega yobora yobwa gusino bora ibwense bunyale ko boko enda boronge abantu baminto kerita dako tebanga tikatobwate sie egento kialinda mwananchi moza koranga too selfish kosa is against Richard, is against Fred Matiang'i. No, he loves Fred like his brother and he wishes him all the best. So egento kero yoka tokoteba freedom minte tome. Tu Richard nguchale koriye keroge kiaye kyobo senator gosikyobo governor already mbaracha. But to my own nchomo nyene I wish Richard Karazana Machogu na Omingo Magara na bali bakoriye biroko biri bagri barosi a proper formation ekuchikunyara kwa bake gotokonya because ibintu toroje bosongo gane ibintu byo komisana bosonge yabeire a place bone gamanta bange bataite gota makuru wabaye babenya na Nairobi ose chikaunti chine chinga bakora ibintu byabo because tagari and gunism chabeire igoro sana chigerete korais. And I also want to ensure I want also to request this kind of support. Mheshimiwa Silvanus Osoro, you are young. This county belongs to you. Kindly do something. We can't be able to stay a county as a gunism yabeire nyinge abantu ito amenyete in fear, and if you are not going to watch it keenly abantu ngo chakabale goitana n'abantu bachaka goitana n'abantu baitana bagusia saba gusi. It's not a good image for us. Please Silvanus, I want to request you because yangu kole president yangu ngokuwa na moli na era motebye we cannot be able ta kunyara go salve chikura gurugusi onye abantu bakunya goitana iga abantu baito bagoito n'abantu abagoito n'abana bami. So ntate ko basaba gusiba mintu tikatobwate Richard Onyonka asekiro ko kenyo sia kuboria. Please let us be behind him, let us cast the vote on his own benefit. Biaman
abu akwanda bya sana especially on gunism the other time kere simbarati reto bogambi gunism je jote bosonga at some point Osoro nero konyeta ga stop
nero te konyeta eta onyiga tena kababuya
egatene naria koleta satan icho bisibe kire matali chia bantu kire chigundi bite
abajeshi bagasoba yes
wagachisie kapi
bagate abasa korra bantu.
I think Osoro needs to come in and because muntu somete nale better as even the
yes,
I want to make a decision even better.
Thank you.
Come on here because I know you are close.
Yeah, it's my agent. We grew together. We love each other.
You know more than you connected.
Nairobi ngo koiro bisia yo mobole maswario.
I think Philip that will be the best thing physical and fair.
I one by one onyole bonsipi onyole babo Jafet onyole babo Osoro onyole kibagende kando. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Okay, let me get him, then go TV, then you will get it to.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good night. Thank you so much. Yes, okay, sir. I never go quit the show just to get to wind up. No,
okay.
David, are you there?
Yeah.
Tata David.
Tigabugan.
Oh no, they took a the chairperson of Jubilee. And I'm going to Mambi.
Jubilee, okay. I have never told you Jenindang and Abantava. Omolima.
Omolima, but I Jubilee. A kindle where, but I Jubilee. I give you see I have accepted. But where the point here?
Lakini never accepted. Matiangitara yaku full structure. Tadi yero ko korte sort.
Ono ngise chama ningusiyeruwe.
Nebe chama ni ngobate ase party ngobate more power. More power.
Party leader.
Secretary General has more powers. Noroche none decision ye yore karau. Secretary General ne bwate powers yare ku withdraw a candidate yeri tebe ya andur kubeka sababu ne rogo sign. Lakini baka make a decision yo kwenda ku field a candidate. Nikyo maete ba field. Baba chere mia kioni ajueti na agreement ne rato bwate. Lakini Jeremia kioni mbachi korengera tena kishako sababu ari smart akatobanga akagotika chupirie egende field candidate yari ngobubare sababu ari mochina ari kwenda rais atebenga pati etere ya ito iromo warari afatari mwa kire serikali irabare ateromo amagenderero pati ye Uhuru Kenyatta tari active politics one egento njenare kuchiko sapa ntutwe kaba Kenya njoma ete muna nje set mind njina bonko boyo mora kini I will say record straight sababu ntutu atenenete nje na arenga se kambe ya Raila na I'm proud nje na arengo nkabu so ekero koligereri etimu ya opposition na United na Linda Mwananchi bonsi binaba na siasa lakini umuntu oyo monaro gabu gabu utari mwana siasa
Matiang'i
ngike morete to
track record
aya Ruto ngike kogera toko kana nga Ruto no mube
gasa tayokara
abwati track record kora kasi kwa Ruto ntori ko muanga na osiriri ngatari mwana siasa muyo kobere gali gora koreki
is the best
eyu ndeta yora onye no popularity tigatutigere Ruto nya toko genda chikure gukuri ko wapi popularity tutige rutaga mbe myaka ende 5 lakini onye tutegete kurushi Ruto tutige bono obukabira na nini sababu na ngere ko njira baruya bajakira baruya batebire ntunzi funa ni inere korete shida bono kwere feti sivuna naba bunge bagusi na ubagutumeka kuimuki sivuna ngo ikuna namubori liswali lile namubori bodi ni njoroge obeire kiama gya Jubilee myaka 8 ngiye kugera bono igatige gasi agenda ase kiama kitararosi
akon
gose barengerereti umate Matiang'i ande kiama ke pato mbare kotini no mate se nguchiri na irete kesi kotini
tarusi bali ngina Matiang'i juzi
tara withdraw officially
nasha withdraw probably officially we hope so
umate sometimes to rigereria njira pattern yesiasa kogenda umate ntu abande tuamine tinga Uhuru na akwane Uhuru na akwana abantu abaikoyo barabu babwatiri kashakwa keria gukwana na kibago bwati
suggestion yaone libona as a solution because we katokonya Matiang'i either way
as a solution Matiang'i bwana atakore bintu bibere bwangu as a politician number 1 agenda tere kesegi Mount Kenya atige kwa bwa kashagwa tere kesegi Mount Kenya bapambane onye kashagwa gakumuyeri amanyanga umuyeri lakini tamutigire giraundi ekwaboira chigocha number 1 option number 1 number 2 onye gakumwobwa atikanene kiama gya Jubilee alige nyombe ngao onye ne kibago fomu na bako enda sororo ande bona setenje kale mete ngwa muboli visuali sana edu nisivuna bako fomu ekiama mate kiama kiuwete na tembe abako tebana ne kiama kia Western oroja baruya mba fomu ekiama kiabo bacha kwa Matiang'i
akon
kwaro
diona coalition
mata inara maswali toko eboli strategically norore njira nyaja are gukora siasa yaye abwate strong abwate kiama kia yako control bono igomete nani Matiang'i goika consulti Uhuru ama yako make decisions no mind no mokonyi Uhuru igota ko make decision Uhuru atamati mero ko control tabu atie nyomba yako make au kote so ingikia garate kashagwa kaseri akacha kulia rais
David yana ko wali swali ya ngiseke usito discuss ya bona bodi ga Jubilee party ya rule from being a Kikuyu party to Omugusi party. Do we agree that locally abantu ba ukwana about Jubilee? Do we agree on that? Locally ga usi, leave alone other parts of the country usi.
It's 50-50.
No, usi ga
50-50. The angote bia seko 50-50.
No, usi ga is Jubilee. The local, leave alone the leaders. I'm not talking about the leaders.
Sawa, njope tengo ligereri ga. Njira nere ngo ligereri. ndio Uhuru akwanda ofe kiame kiase Matiang'i furi Matiang'i abenere patirita abona rimo gotebo moirwe kiama
Asekiote tu Uhuru.
okay nje naende perception yao gotebo ne kiama ne kiagusi umete for
What when
example
it is popular usiku by any other part of the country.
umete ngikere keberete popular nanda buno trikiere nje kuringana buna angoligereri ngikeberete popular
Matiang'i when the presidential candidate ana Jubilee.
umete abagusi bwate hope Matiang'i ngo chorwa arabe frag pia
No, Matiang'i ngo ikare them. That's the hope they have.
ngo ikare tebe
Of which ngo ikare.
Obuguchi ngo ikare wono nje nabo nakinta kitate achake iga atigana na makana alinda mwananchi atigana na makana United Opposition achake campaign yaye as an individual
Wani gaga sini
umwako yo tigaira aroje campaign yaye onye no uru otagete kumukonya abasani bali ba America bono origiri abasani ngagetokorere meeting ya grassroots mobilization abwate kia mekiria Jubilee atebenje tigankuna kyongo gungu akore campaign bono
already tiganongo gisengo sema ne tuli twate tiganongo ebintu ndata igupi haya Matiang'i unabona kirale kwenda coastal region Mombasa takole ti campaign soro paka kaliyo muntu oguchikobororo bune appointment yayo onyorze uni toka mbone umugwano gukuna alimbogo wasere Jubilee gava na uchukuboli Mombasa no mungwano bato munu na somete it's someone who knows what to do, what to say. Ora Matiang'i na gendoro na bato monte ground wachukwa kama eshuguli. Number 2, we have the actually yesterday you saw pictures cha Dr. Kingo Fred Matiang'i karne ambassador ya US kuchakea uswaji. If you see no international connections na vukubwa onyandiri popularity yo kwa na chikura angaona Raila abe the president marakata. But because you need international connections choose plus the local ones, Matiang'i is now taking his time there. What about the constitution and other things? He's also doing things on his unique way. International leaders, you've seen him meet various people, especially now from Israel and also the US. They have met Matiang'i. They are discussing. Matiang'i has not built this brand, international one. I get it. State House because State House without international connections. Usenji veka nochi unava kusimama mangana ya. Oya drop kidogo mitambo. So Matiang'i seniko kora a lot when it comes to the issues to do with the campaign at 2027. I have only it's a year plus to an election. Wani gano mwaka na. When it's a year plus for Matiang'i to go and engage on political activities, chia public image, choko ganda. At this point. Let him save the finances for next year. Let him launch his campaign this year towards the end. But when you let him have serious meetings, consultative meetings, then actually a brand, a certain period, a brand that is consulting the people across the 8 regions. Always let's talk of the 47 counties. Every county you consult to create that momentum. Dio year just funa bado ndirekande tirachokote mutu ngone president uchiko. I think aba kuzinduwa don't want an understanding to that level. Onye ngoteto joining on this platform na wande wale ngoro ina mbane 0740506234 when sasa screen ya need. So you can just send me the text on WhatsApp. Join and then I'll send you the link. Also ongamba unia go to tara kole show. So that when you understand na kinga ye problem with. Na leo abantu bako give up barochinga Matiang'i cha biasambe. Matiang'i is doing his politics in his own way. Janda benyole ndaka mukera. Matiang'i na abreta menya chai. Akabe piye paka bakaswete benere 2002. Kuruabu Matiang'i akasoa Uhuru Kenyatta 2013. Bakairo na Uhuru Kenyatta 2017. Bako 2017 bakana Raila 2022. So he has failed twice and he has won twice. Meaning Matiang'i has a clue on what to do politically. But there's one character also he borrows from Uhuru Kenyatta, patience. There are some areas or certain situations so expect them to make a decision, but he holds back. That's how Uhuru Kenyatta used to behave. To allow amachakenunuka. Kere turuvero tuko nyara kumanya what to do. Tuko nyuma chayo. But kera kinukile leku mana nuko chawo wale ngeme ainaki amaraba amagenda usininki. That's what Machengi does. Oni kamna bagusi ega ndukia mana ndutu wa chukura. Tuba chukura 100%. Tumaina ki ene tali tuba chukura lisagara bagala. Tuko ikaze tuwateba ni family chose pi. Tuko mwana nga Tuesday, Saturday Tuesday. Potuko kero mugaka no mungina ogusi kutwara vale meeting n'abana baye. Ebe virtual, ebe physical. But discuss bagiri ngotara batekura. When are you going to register as a voter? Enyale kalenga all families in Ugusi chikura cha watu. Chikura chose picha Ugusi chichamo. We can easily hit 3 million votes. Tukirete kiri 3 million votes at the ballot. I would tell much fun. I would call number 1 was 2 was 3. Most likely number 1 because to 3 million. Tunyo that has some votes. Alafu aband from our candidate being a good brand. To very nice votes. But we never see the first thing. We must first embrace to my key. We have a presidential candidate. We register as voters. Then need to create Chukura. To Chukura. Every day they join the vote. That is what is needed. Aba kusibu that you agree as a team. Na tuki all you don't register as voters. Siasa ketu tigire matia. After I think kura jia njiko hivi. Ega zituno kubata chukura na waka chukura. Ntu twarabu waba of any other kind. If it's true, Onyonga is working very well, na babo sifuna korosi ground kyomo gusi. That is okay. Ehera ba ikalba koba tisifuno lenguchia oncho kiwuga. Ate mati yangi tosha. Kalonzo nera ata abandi akali ndita yugo sabule kusari zaini. Kusatika na manu president. Because in general kwa te a minute kene ngiako kwa rasu speak today. So tumanyo ranga sifuna ba onchoiru bajira simati yangi tosha. E block ya Nyanza, Western again take them. Tumakumuka bono tuskisiku because running metiaro gaturusha ratina central. Nto wasi kucho confuse ya bwana. Tukurusha running met central, we are good to go. Ame titi joro. Tima itina kyoko wani kweno kole. Lakini walimuna kaniko join iga was sharing your opinions just like these others who have been here. Number ni 0740506234. You text me on WhatsApp. I have my laptop with me. The word join, and I'll be able to send you the link. Not hi. You tell me join, so that I know this person wants to join, or this person wants to tell me call your app. You will send you the other link. Let me see whether it's someone who wants to join. Go and text to now. I want text the word join, so that you know one jamutumere link. Yaro tuwapo ate PA ya Onyonka. He has shared with us a lot of insights about what is happening right now. Yeah, one text join me, I get to understand what to do. At this point, please don't call me. If I'm live and you are calling, please don't call because I can't pick. I'm using the same phone. You don't go to the live now. Please don't call. Just send me the word join and I'll include you. I'm sending you the link shortly. Meroyo. Cameron Oyo. Yes, Cosmas, thank you so much for joining us here today. That's how you join here. It's that easy. Okay, please share with me. What did you have to share with us?
Rahisi mwana.
We share right here. The word the complication. I want to the name join, the word join, and then I send you the link. Yes. Ntabiango, share your opinions. What did you have in mind?
Bori, ukikuwa bori.
No, like you're also so far.
Yes. Yang. Matiyangi ono babangwana bamungu chimwa to big shop. Mogoto ira mwato ikiroje mwato burukani mwato tigana ne mwagena ne mwachikoje. Ora tu asiru ku understand. Batirende ndonge kepingire natekerera bamura bali bagwende no eba bagukwana kwana baba mwana inchi ba Nairobi. Bagurukwa.
Linda Mwananchi.
Yani aba bunge mwananchi maitengora kwana bale sense kora babwatiria na rumuru yo ore support ya Matiangi mutindi no maite uri kwachara bagamuka na ruye point get nanye take serious yateba akeroro chemo moima asilinda mwananchi keroro chikibaga ndia asilinda mwananchi uyu Matiangi oroje iko yali iko ngoni bisina iko lene no yabara asilinda mwananchi iko na bawo jukura asimatiangi rende so nabo mungwano ywa lekera bari kuchatiria namu bwatiria because sometimes nyingora batekerande no yabantu bandi bakora basiri ngora make bali some sense so nali ikora ni ndu kugonga ki na bira nyale kana linda mwananchi bago chikokorera kwa enda asimatiangi wanje bago chikokorera kwa enda asimatiangi Riolimbu ya tole. Toroji. Ya, ine rupu ya nebo no mukwanga ki onye kerenga no yabara ali asilinda mwananchi kwa bali gukora abasimatiangi tani we are good. Go.
Pero
eto kenga tonga inanete tani we have got around wetu go. Number 2. That's point number 2. Let me go to point number 2. Omanyete? I repeated say this thing several times. Yabantu wana na baji bage. But you might tumbu yetu kwa no mine nto ngaina. And I like your platform. Ngo te more go te yoba kusiba ito mine.
Thank you.
Abantu kuruku mu ikoyo. Amusore go tumeke ito mu ikoyo. Oto chandi. Na inde boni go bakungu bole Kenya no muntu ruku mu ikoyo. Obakungu bole Kenya no mu ikoyo. Toroji. Why? Umuikoyo gabegete gachagwaria umanyete nga ma oyo gakorwo mambi umuiko yasoe kwarori kalinga ganjite gachagwaria yandi ganjite ruto igabegete ruto gajibegete ruto gachagwa nga ruto buna gukora because imbate bari nga 10 gachagwa soe na ruto nero mete buna renga ali na muigo chagojana meta baiko bono akabachiasa akateba ngo tumeka gachagwanso ali ngase kuba minyo bono omuntu rugumu ikoyo tatakiri ko bubaga tigatomu bugaterane baikere baiksebutina ki mukua ebisa kubindi na biro bimbiro akulira. Thank you.
Biamono sana. Lakini before that to the other speakers, I wanted to ask you a question. Yes. Cosmas. Now, yeah. What do you think Tobanto Koragera Muikoyo Taba president?
Muikoyo tataki koma pi. Ekikiroki na kani
How?
bakama. Na
How?
aba ibisa kubinde ko mugo bwatira na mukani aba ikulinga bono enough is enough. Ebisa kubinde iko mugo ikaranza mota imatiyangi baketebe. Omuiko yo kwamireri ogendetebe kino kwa tisiwana twenda butu. Matiyangi tariko tika enda tebe. Enginjiri kura bika burungu. Matiyangi yako endetebe. Bas. Matiyangi yako endetebe kokora. Omuiko yo kwamireri endetebe. Bas. Na andi rutairane. Akere rutairanire. Bas.
Weke simu yako biasi kwa sikagochi. There's some sound there kwa soki talingia.
Na wele wono bia.
No, Trav. You can kindly correct that as we. Ebukwa nango.
Ngote ya baiga. Wanyugule.
Sauti yawe ya sali kile kidogo. Timate what you did. Na boko uwe ikanendo irane. I'll still add you in. So that you correct the problem. Meanwhile, let me welcome Jared. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Am I the only one getting this? Let me first. There's someone who has come in with something. Jared, can you speak?
Okay, na kimbi ya mure bali mure ya hapa ndio.
No. There's other than Jared. Who is this other one on my right? Hapa juu kabisa. Yes. You can now speak. How are you?
Hello?
There's
Yes, come
someone.
up once more. I'm not getting you. Come up once more.
Okay.
Come up.
Okay.
Come up once more. I'm not getting you.
It's okay. There's something that is happening. Sauti Miarbik. I don't know who has done what. Hey, it's David. Let me mute David. Now, can you speak?
I'm not getting. Just give a mic to Charity because I'm not getting you.
Okay. Let me remove. Then you come back. Okay, Jared, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
But there's some sound that is coming out. I don't know whether you hear it when I speak. Inaumiza masikio sana.
No, I can hear you very clear.
Okay, so it's my phone having a problem.
Probably it's you.
All right. I'm trying to find Cosmas. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Clear. There's no sound that is bringing a problem.
Yeah, na iko yule.
Oh, okay. Then it could be my phone. I want to exit, then come back. You guys just hold on like that. Okay. Jared, can you speak kindly?
You can hear me now?
Now it's okay. I can hear you well. Now, karibuni sana. Thank you so much, guys, for creating time to be here today. Thank you for asking for the links. And then now that we are having me here, it's really a good thing for me to have you people. Now, let me go to Jared directly. Go ahead, please, and share your opinions. What did you have in mind?
Can you come up with the question again?
Okay, fine. Today we are sharing on so many things, including the Linda Mwananchi from the Gusii region. I hope no Gusiore, Jared.
Yeah, no Mogusika.
Okay. So the Linda Mwananchi team, Achira say Sifuna, we also are sharing on Matiang'i, the state of Matiang'i in terms of campaigns and preparation for 2027. What could be your opinion right now in relation to those issues?
Okay. My opinion, thanks for supporting Matiang'i. I know you have been fighting for him, but also as an upcoming media person, you have to go work, get in line that you don't become a psychopath. You should be very objective. Politics is all about the personal interest. So abantu bale linda mwananchi kuruhusi wachumbe balia they are only with majority, they are with Matiang'i because he can help them win back their seats. It's not about Matiang'i, okay? It's about themselves. And we have seen this with the late Raila, that once the Kikurachi Akirwe, Munda Chodro Muchumba, Chodro Governor, Ogandochi was celebrate, Tago Chari was Raila, actually, so when I hear these excuses, they are going to make a way in Linda Mwananchi, I totally disagree completely. There is no Nchiabakorosia. The only way you make a way, okay, is to make Matiang'i popular so that the other people can see that they cannot do without him. You cannot elevate Sifuna, one honestly with the, politics, and you have said that before, is about perception. One again, in fact, even anybody, what people might be looking, running to Sifuna, not to Sifuna the other way, because you are elevating him. So, one thing you have to understand about politics, abana siasa aba mbali kogenda gweta gali bose. The truth be told that abana siasa aba ngwaka nubali
kogenda chishuruki.
So supposedly sometimes while Matiang'i is not a politician, so being not a politician, to understand the thing, abantu abatali abagocha for free, abagocha sokuru. So bueno, vacha bagwati Matiang'i ataibe kama uteje alicheno no urure cheki asande nseme yamo uchire. They have to follow ngai bako nyore kwelen. Ebe saritangen. Injebuna ndigarati wono iga. Bona gato we katuanjira nanga Matiang'i continue njira gandrete ngochire como vera con. Ngochire como vera con. One, Matiang'i linda mwananchi te como coin.
It's
No
true.
matter si kita mo coin. You cannot have a running mate or a presidency and a running mate from the western side. So never Sifuna tako Matiang'i tako presidential candidate, either Sifuna ngi running mate. Okay? That's never the other side. So Matiang'i asagwa na tako raini ya sero warunge akina Kalonzo na
Gachagua.
Mwabunyoro. Takarado kwenye four. Okay? That is their lineup. If I would be, I know that the people might not accept this, but if I will, there are some missteps which deliberately, intentionally, or unknowingly, Matiang'i make it, which it still he has a time, maybe he wants to recoup it. I've shared with some people that one of the worst decisions in his starting of the politics is going with the Jubilee. Today, Jubilee, my friend, there is nowhere, because the whole reason about Jubilee, it has network. Jubilee has got no network anywhere. Jubilee can only win in Gusi. That's how they want to president maybe Gusi. Last, when Uhuru was the president, out of the 30, I think there are 30 members of parliament, Jubilee. Go find out, 28. Go find out Timbalenga Koru, Mount Kenya, let's say in Central, okay? Majority, you have actually 14 from Northeast, okay? Usi tokaru osemba bere kaita tuwata usovere usovere. Ikono ngwele nga
Sito to the women na West Mugirango.
Na West Mugirango. Ntabi yango mbale ngaba bete ko Mount Kenya when he was in power.
Bali
Kono
ma.
ingeka hata power. So you got the actually to me Jubilee ni geta ite Matiang'i abakonye erinde patinya ko beroro kobwa Jubilee bakonye Matiang'i. How does it disadvantage Matiang'i? Politics is very local, and he has come to realize that. And even with Jubilee, still he runs back to Kusi. Okay. One in United Opposition, Matiang'i and deputy party leader. That means that there is a with the deputy party leader, there is a party leader who can make a decision. Ekarado na bari bande mo siwari party leader. Ekarado kuana wekawala rengare twizinga with that to be the position you the disadvantages. When you look at the polling, Matiang'i is more popular, maybe double or something, na Jubilee. So how does Jubilee help Matiang'i? So to me, I think that it is still not far away. If Matiang'i want to change, he should get his own party. The party they have dissolve. Because there is nothing. You, for example, UPA, when I would be seen as a homogusi. Today, if you talk and even in national politics, Okwane, Okounga, Matiang'i, Chikura Jago Siakolet. But I got a Chikura Jago. Yeah. So it makes no difference. What is now the way forward? If I were to be asked, Matiang'i is a very credible candidate, and I believe that he can lead the country. If the things we are seeing continues right now, yeah, Matiang'i his way to presidency will remain to go through Ruto. It's unfortunate, but that might be the route to the president 2032, not 2027. Okay? Abantu baminto bangire komokonya. Ondo bwensi okongaina abantu bakarega ajirinda mwana inchinga ngokonya bali Matiang'i kenike bakomokonya. Naye kwa boli mukwa. Matiang'i abantu agotara nabarabo embabo yonde Murara, who is a very good person, but Murara nabarabo kori kibale na kibago so agusi. Ogon tevinga Transoia, was it Transoia? What was so difficult? Abachumba abanonye babiri batatu bari kubakana bagenda Nairobi area bamaye kuja kujoin Sifuna on Sunday. Was it that difficult? Yeah. So there is what we call credibility sometimes. Ekaro Murara ukwana people know that Mairubiano is maker was I go. Lakini ekaro onyonga ukwana people listen.
That's true.
Yeah? So when those people want to back on water, you got the songa ngai. Okay? In Jere and Dondo Jenga, either they know what we don't know. Okay? Lakini, one, I told you, influence yabesa. You mwana mindata riko maybe. Arengera tinga banda mindong kumbwati bari. Bago John Neri karere kusi. Ina erbata riko kare kueren. Actually, I was very surprised that Carolina Mwana inji aje kusi. I watched very carefully. Nkama go jogo chananga. Abantu bari even baba tarinde bala Matiang'i. They have only 2 or 3 MPs. Najaba chumba abantu bonse beje. Abachumba abantu bonse benga ibali. Uzi. So Matiang'i na wana tako turn back to the table. Okay? tabwati gento kali bantu bali bakamuteka agende ngora iga agende gukwana na kina Osoro Simbarati n'abantu abanzipi abatewe naki iga ninka umuri gwitera okay inuge gambe kumugwamba lakini tagoita nojene omate there is a way umuntu atago support lakini naro tari gukota kwa leo so tori ko iguma no muto ata tani go zen kitari gari kwa na ko ru rift para mundo ga gotenanga imbo ba kwa negoro ya ruto tari ngabo mwanjete lakini ada de gato kire go ndo okira ina auto kwanda takurigere ritoro de kwerende njaina ara mauni na tebenga still na wanda korigereria na kya kori constitute team yae asa kuranzira nearly I know I have no I'm not in a position to come advice but now and the change kwenda another thing comment agavu
na wanda change
kega takusi
point na kwa na wanda change
na wanda change party ati
Okay.
Jubilee ya kure Jubilee tayo moyo in fact he has more influence party yako nyara wa controlling abantu bona ananga bona gakusi usito akondenga abantu bali ngaba just Jubilee bona ga korugusi to kunyara ekagara Jubilee ba ko nanga inga it was it has 7 million members 7 million members iko bakanyora chapa chumbe batatu kwerende onye ndito bwate party ya usi ananga bona nga that's what is this people was doing. Oh, we have got these members, we have got these numbers. So come on, this is a new party abantu abakineza bago cheza uri amatiani bona in 7 million abago tiana abako kwanga yokomanya bantu kya mentre ko Jubilee egento kyo mwari kumurangire takika yamu asa na to megatie and I talked to somebody but one of the things intubuna bagusitwa korata including in wana bukua we have sidelined Maraga. I told somebody Maraga was going to be a key to Matiang'i, but people did not see that way. These other people, why is Sifuna more important? Because there is the Oparanyas, there is the Wetangula, there is Mudavadi. Okay? So we see inumo kama kwa mwana ki Maraga to kumwaka makindi tomo tubute bona mtundu bwa Matiang'i bona ometenga na to batukuta ndonzi mubu ati alternative. If we could have had two competing candidates and angeka bako taka ko chega nonyeno United bako cheganga Matiang'i to ko chegia abantu bali na bara ntuzi ko chonyala abantu bali ko genda bara Maraga wewe bona yo metenga imo kumelia na tamagenda bounce no bawasa
Matiang'i
anywhere osoroche there is competing oye toko that is how politics goes. I told people last 2022 general election regardless when the solo za kwiro bochumbe western alikuwa nyoro speaker because UDA has proposed Wetangula asimia propose Orio Kabere speaker I don't know the name Marende that is ile siasa bona monjere ananga bona iga umuntu nakotanga for example even Ruto ananga kotanga Matiang'i ngomo wabale ebendera muinali na injo bona ndio ko counter Matiang'i Osoro ngoko toro prime cabinet that is what is called politics lakini karado ko genda to make that is why in Nyanza Ruo Nyanza you don't need to worry about anybody you only need to worry about Raila wako mocheza tu amangana ayiri na intu tu ataka ko beke enseme ine rende eyende to wena ta kwerigereria abantu ba mintu to support burunge so that they know we have an option so that Linda what do we call this team? United opposition. But when look man, we have another option. That's when they can take him serious.
So Matiangi to be a president, forget the rest Ruto.
That is the route indicated and a key as a key. This is how I look at it in practical politics. Bono iga Linda mwananchi na wera nyoya ya what the plan in the house. Okay? Lakini baro lenga bono sibuna otwalire usawishi nyingi. I am telling you both na ndio kana atende kana kama Linda mwananchi na Matiangi, the sponsor is the same. The sponsor akoli ringa jawu kwenye chitani. Onyole ngagamu inaona nyole tani. How can a party get a presidential candidate ever go close your down some offices? Is it not when we are opening more offices? No, I'm asking. The other thing, you really say, go cut the presidents. How do you cut the presidents when we are going and because the sponsor are seen as another time. One again, in fact, the pack room negotiation, neringa moko mo fix. Webule. Abachuaji babo nyonga ba manyire batumira omexwa ngamate stake. In fact, let me tell you here in this broadcast, there is no one smart politician that I respect even Onyonka. Okay? Onyonka in 2027 next year, Onyonka ta kuburi bugaba. Tikakona kungaina abantu mukwanga, Onyonka kuburi bwa. Onyonka tali muliri ta kuburi bugaba. Okay? Onyonka kwa no muri senator na enda support Simbarat. Kwa hivyo, oinero Onyonka politics Onyonka, obu atikoru politics ya yega. Ako kaenda sekete obogori sim kago jabono ochete boko negotiate kabata chingu wejeran kara ile yo ayo lakini ndole gandora
Cosmas naikuta
ayamukua
yes sir
imbwatiri swali lile gatara kwana aba gusiyuma tetura bangaini nanda bali
okay.
No matter how far Kenya, we are very clever and so stupid.
Okay.
Etora bangaini mono, and it about badi mono. Ombo na wonder we explain.
They are.
Mono, and the bakaba badi mono.
Kara to na mtuna mokwa tora bangaini na ya bunoro mori.
Ini bagi timokua aba gusina automatically kanitigo etora bangaini mono na ndio kababa badi mono
Jara sangu tutiza glass tora bangaini mono
ntuancha ini okonya yo ario prata na bago kurwe chiabu gicharo cyo bukuma moina akoru oi ongetu
okay. Sauti yake kwa ndanze kidogo. Usenje vye kandali kumoyo.
Na anakata sauti yake ndanze na wango
make your points. Toko you. No, you sauti yako
na kwa to ko ngate sauti yao.
Tiamende sauti.
It's better.
Anare ko teba iga aba gusiba ita situa bita no le machuga ya etura bangaini mono ende tura bali mono.
Okay.
Unabona digamboliga ndubuata baka my brother iyo point yako charity yakwani ndubuata baka kurusia bangaini ukurukubuna bono for example kitutu masaba ndubuata very prominent politician ku somebody gusire
Timothy
nga yale bono in fact that guy kura opinion advisor ya Matiang'i as per right now. We expect such a guy to be Matiang'i atenete iga such a people like Bosire, prominent politician Bosire, to be front line as Matiang'i como advice. Lakini Bosire bono gaya. Tayo. No ali sika waka Matiang'i nerengo na nerengo jakari patia. You see that? Aya, injo omuntu okurukuya ata people bale prominent kurusi lakini kwanyora na ubago bagu etagura iskoga so aba ikoyo barabuna yabana America gaiga kaigure gento igago tiyo mwabo omoge kaigure gento igago tiyo mwabo na ngeterema
sauti yako ndio ya very issue kaba muna kwale nge position yeli
nabo abone ibita kubinda za kwanyora mu ikoyo nabo omono mogere omuntu bona abekerema no ari mamugiterete kwanyigure
kabisa
umuntu bona abekerema nabaricara oyo noyo minto no ngugwira ibi bona Matiang'i naro bakumurukanga ki ngano morogi nga family yo morogi te kugambira abantu you can imagine mukwa I saw that on media bakusari kulikanga nga gasere tukuru bugirango akaja settlement nga na morogi and bakubika egende ki on media can you imagine that thing
umugusi
can you imagine of that
shocking
can you imagine of that yeah
bobe sana
oyine ro mugusi mukwa oyine ro mugusi tole batakiri bagwa kwibiranya so let me come to my point. Empathy is not an issue. Kota yabanga Matiang'i uchire chupiri Matiang'i gosaro sikia makiaye empathy to me is not a problem. Nabako rosistiri kia makiaye na ndaba kuzina ndito mwaka mageni still it is the same wembe ni ule no na rosi kia makiaye na utoku murama na utoku masokiska ndito mubeke nguru kabisa tumutinde.
Okay.
Gawana watabanga Matiang'i chupirini na nini? Tati wanasikoti no problem. The problem is intuna bagusi. Tutago chamo. Toleke bishane. Tu chamo tukwiramo. Yeto kutukwiramo. Yeah. Yeah.
Omete Cosmas.
Yeah. Tianda kole point. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm coming. Let me finish my point. One of the young point ya leo mwalimu mkuu. Matiang'i mbuyali. Na ende no matter what, ntuno oto kwira smati. Aire chikura taira. Ntuno oto rasmati. Nere to bugati. You see that? Uise kuriri anyona gachaka anyona ta chake ta wadi kia makia. Ngaiba mkorrete ku. Nya cha ta chake kia makia. Ngaiba mkorrete ku. Nya cha na bete president. You know, history repeats. Kwa history is to a record. Even to kumata mkua. Si ngatoro kinga ki. Matiang'i tunabe kiale tunoto kwera. Lakini ndio kama finally Matiang'i na abere chupiri agenda kugikora abunge bari bagusibonsi bari ki constituency kiri 14 ngatori 14 bonsi pi tikatoma chupiri iko tuamwire backup bako genda bunge kuikaruta amuri ngaba bunga abao ngakitoka kora uikatu ali backup gwaro dem the point into bunge bonsi pi babo soro tikabasto bacho ni Matiang'i tomoya babunge bari 14 bonsi chupiri bas ego ikabunge uikabariki Matiang'i ababunga abao tote bingo na kitogo tomanga kitogo negotiate tutika kona kolenta mangana mange kona kuebita bidebite kona kuetagora. We need to it is high time we need to be together no matter what. Tuike Matiang'i tole kebishe ne tumai kuna go this way forward napulira umugo
Yeah,
Yes, mwanza nini? Okay. Unga tata. Ya bonango te bio minto mwana minto Cosmas. Akaroko beka banta bonsi bichupiri. Chupiri ne yango. No mate buna.
Yago te ne yango. Aye mo abo bunge bonsi bachupiri komira bani. Aye mo abo bunge bonsi komira bani ditangani.
ya akitwara arigirira kiko no ara ke ndora gwanjire ngwate wenga na bari tore sometimes okobeka abantu Jubilee ouru agenda tiko kone ko sieti na Ruto ayo kuna kugambaga obaire kuchiani. That is why a party yaye asako make a call
Bono muatikete kawasoa muatikete aina ate mukua nganjire muanse aina ro muatikete kanga bono amangana mukua ba kole tabono iga kiba tikete mu ochirare mugatika gasoa aina ro mwana wikana sa mu advice muamanye wanda muta biti tabono bono
no karate karanda ra gote birende kendo kya kabere nakina tabanga Cosmas
ayari yumatara soa kaimu aringe mugatika gasoa bono ochirare muase kumate kaimu aringe
correct your phone. I got now to clear Cosmas. Go ahead, Jan.
From the beginning, where were you?
Okay, Cosmas, you got to engagement. Totally excited.
Kaimu aringe mugatika gasoa bono muamaso ile kumuita kaimu aringe
what garenda ngwanza ngaitu arenge
kaimu aringe
ndenda ra ngwanza ngenta kama ngaitu arenge
kaimu aringe
ase tu arenge Nyamira aga karon kale Nyamira aga nyamaka roto no mu arenge na Matiang'i ga bi machu moga matabia bintu binga moga motika ndo motabia kira ndina kikere na gwanzire yu but I think sometimes to criticize these things. It is because we want for the better. The only person history now is very good. Is Nyachai. Nyachai competition constituency. But also there was a very big thing that one of the community Nyachai was able to fund those members of parliament. Since then, Nigeria have come Gusiam. Now I work out there. Omogushi, on your Kokoraba district. Mogushi, I wanted to go vice president. Nyamuayano, you never can go one. I want to go to Sito. And I'm going to go to one Senator Yabosong and I check out this out of God. Bakanga go one and I will Noro tenkiato bere koru ndogate university ya Nyamira ya rwane rebe miaka yonsipi esa yadi egenda kasinini tiba mo ndata kana university na bano nyama tongo na banande Nyamira gocha tigera achari tangani bakarwanira noro tenkiabe oyine ero yo mukusi kwate bantunga ntomo kusi otota tenga kilo mo ndatu wane stand no jere lakini ngongere nkato kwa mise ngenda kama kwa na byanga ndo bwata bagaka yabo liraba ndo bwata bagaka bari gari abana siasa pono igasa leader karon ndata ko boli ugambi Nyamira nichengo chikorikia abantu bagoja kwerunga korkorwa no botenga we want to advise you na yo korikia abantu intelligence wako na tanaki ikana kerimu kwa nkora rango kwa na kerimu yega na tarangore na mtenaki pa minto mwana minto chuka ombwati telikoma vice versa. Okay? Tinko manya ngoli bono narra mo kwende orwo banara rogo te banga invite abantu bajante Matiang'i na bantu chat base chikale ko US. So tinko manya bozina yo mogo no
ngetindia advice ya Matiang'i. I'm not.
So batiege ndokeren kalinga it's not right. The reason to go kwa na igure ya Jubilee korwe ground. Jubilee ego jane package. Every time we go na Jubilee, all the ignoring Jubilee na area, to make it sita tole, even though it was not Jubilee Ruto could not be there. It's because of things they did. So it reminds people that newness. Why have Andromeda drift to Sifuna? They thinking that this is a new, and which Matiang'i is supposed to be belonging in it. Like in Bono. Another two things, I think, which area is one Munyoro. Munyoro so comes with the package. No, as I have said, a route Matiang'i to presidency. Angana tebe kita kemana kita merasa kata nendeng, nabe lagi nih Matiang'i. Nana kau cakap na ngoja kwa nje ngwake ba Matiang'i
ya kwara
for free anara como tenga Matiang'i minto koraiga bono iga itobote genda Nyamira ora ros Nyamira. In fact chikura cha 2032 it will be against the most governors akiri ni Nyamira ka kwenda to cross network anyoranga Ruto takai kebo no kotabi gente kama kere bono iga naenda bantu kwenda kumanya igombi ni mtu kwa Kenya
Matiang'i hapo ndipo gavana kwanza.
Hapo yani ene waiting aenda korokinga tari ari ministry okara korate no ni ga umate ministry ari no ni ga bwate egento ekoro ku impost power obo gavana pero tu ara impost power because no gwanda bantu kete no monta ta kiti grass ki monto lakini ko komno everari eri na ati budget yao no then igo it is a leadership skill I've lost my thought process and now tankaringa answer asikete eri in the 2032 onyorenga yakire kobarais okay na nyure na bono ye problem mundo cha Kenya. In fact it is not the problem is not removing Ruto. The problem is Ruto being the opposition leader with over 100 members of parliament. Tumai tuko somo ndana kamba anya mbago sa inyandi za kitefa today. Igo Ruto era ndiko moruziana no akare no koja ara ko gamba. Eyo era kozi badina kyo lata. Kya otiko gamba. Naba abachume 100.
Alafu matenjira mwa discuss na tembe bategerera bono in my conclusion ne ringa history repeats itself. Twatebe tukunga sagini na ngori usena ngoba katebe kugenda moigwane moche mwe wekero
Nsagi na Nyamweya
ya bakateba bono tori koigwana bakaja bakateba pasijani
tuazinya
bona abakusibono iga ntolire tiko ya ko ligio bo president totebe tuirugo ini conclusion ntolire tiko ligio bo president abantu barali ne chiproka
abona wa kwa nebye
mwatebire buya sana gashagwa ari impeached lakini abantu bamu abomba maite na ari impeached yasta yako tenena ebara mubunge tayo oko irungu kangata akatema kogenda linda mwananchi hata batikuira na kusogende tarieke maene taira ne tabakasi kashagwa ale impeached lakini bakumubwati bamaite ta gotenena lakini ale kerema lakini bamugiterete lakini bono Matiang'i twange akumwanekita warorire bono tu abakusini ini general ndwanja ini simbarati kende nge yakurwanira Matiang'i ngochire kumubereri ama agete sabwa agambe chitamubere bugabana abori wo president bona akumwaka amunyundereize egera 2032 atebe bono yo nasinye tuninche warorire bona ine trend konyeka oyo ndo mwate aba Timothy Bosire akorukuriro ogambire nando ritako bagabana nande bono ngana atenena ne kiama kia ta korora sababu siasa cyabo kibanga bube kera abantu bagocha banyu mosoriamo era akari kunywero ngori siko tata ketiko so wanyu bona ngana kitaka koro mukutano gali bo sikisi akaye kuchibesa bona chibeso iru arete kiama abaga ne chikura bono bugambi boito totebe ndu tigatorire Matiang'i tigatoko na tu akorte nyachai muntu uri utari gusikanya Matiang'i tigagenda isiko Matiang'i gakanyora ababunge agenda ande gosieti na Ruto sababu bono tuachire bokabira mete tokobwa Ruto kura onye kwebakaganire no bokabira Ruto nero maite ko chese gemwe noroche bono bekeire Mudavadi okoba ba aroju ba imokirisi bobekere Mudavadi amamuraka urire Kindiki
exactly
bono Mudavadi yako cha kogenda ali nade bacha kurte ebituma nga ODM bacha ko teba Mudavadi nini oparanya batangete lakini Ruto oi kuno statement Ruto amegeti kasarani arenge ko congratulate Mudavadi akomatenga one day we will reward you warari ikobono nani arari nani Mudavadi arari nande mura stoke sana noroje 2032 Ruto ngome kiare Mudavadi abe president mune cheche tu sababu Mudavadi take mokali take muntu oli mokali okocha kumubwatie bintu akolire
Mudavadi ndugu yangu wose no muirio omuiguo wabasigisia Mudavadi nande still no musigisia
bona akomumbosi ya
Mudavadi buna Kalonzo takora bugambi bwa Kenya
na bako baimbosi diari
abantu bakanyerere to bugambi bari konyora bugambi uko buna Ruto inetu
kumate sivuna sivuna obekiru nabwate power mokorora lakini abwate structure
structure eki jeo na kiko karaba na kina wata dinga bono igonye dito to emotions to emotions bono inga Matiang'i abwatane babekana bagusibons eye strategy agenda tebe nganje bono ntetungana na ODM yere saidi ya Ruto bande go siete kero kyo running mate Korunyanza that is around
bagenda se Ruto
ay atebenga Nyanza bono ekereke Nyanza to kewe ikera sikuno nyaro te diatene ina linda na hotel era ekero to tige tamangana konde ndori ko yeringa Ruto no mo bendere ko to ko yeringa out yere ne politics is about strategy okay
na njira na magana ago kyagera politics te bwa permanent enemy na bako nyora Matiang'i yosu
ko mtabinga chikura kyosi kyo mubusingo chiretande na Nyanza bono bali wata ko bagana to ko chibeka to to ko ire kero ke una Nyanza toyo kuborani ngimeti una Nyanza
waona ekendekyo nakiweto soroga upane at some point awatemanga na Matiang'i na bagoche vaka there's some void within Nyanza is about one leader Matiang'i ache anye take the lead of the Nyanza region anegotiate no diwan enchira geteiga egere ajal kanenga Matiang'i nyore kerogo. But I have one challenge with that one. I have one problem with such a kind of a suggestion. Matiang'i na wate kusiyonse.
Okay.
Right now, the reason why it's a rhetorical question.
No, usitanye bwati esa oli
no
UDA na rebata kusiende. Lakini wana kaje segament.
That is not my thinking. My thinking is different. In politics ya Kenya, about what they are capable of. William Ruto ataragendete when Uhuru Kenyatta back in 2013. Already he knew his ability through the no campaign.
Yes.
So Uhuru Kenyatta kako muchiera maitengo mungono nari worth 1.something billion. After your road nationally, Ruto now what a certain thing. Right now, Kalonzo, we know now what Abakamba, because he has proven not once but a number of times Abakamba wako motegera.
That is true.
So for Matiang'i to make sense for Ruto or any other politician, he must know his word. First,
hata tani CMCA, I expected actually nga Matiang'i kikure jichiaba ngeje bona yare nge ya Jubilee angana mega tie so up angana je ya campaign
and that was the point. So Matiang'i, being that is going for the presidential race, we must know what Matiang'i is capable of by being at the ballot. Egaramanye ngusi yo kabwate gosengo attract tiare support across the country. That is also in preparation for 2032 in the case of Tabweti in 2027. But I saw a blanket what William Ruto and now we have come now to see. It will remain to be that way forever. Because Tamait what and there might not be any other time I want to go try out. If it goes also I
disagree.
No, the
I
other
disagree.
your point. We like yours. If he
Yeah.
goes like that as well, then he's becoming selfish. But if indeed Katagete, first of all, Kumanyi's what he must be at the ballot. King what votes from the coast, from Western. One of them. That is one. Number two, Matiangi, as we speak today, we got to key Mbali Vuya na ODM party. Him just going just like that. ODM party mo consider. Haitakuwa rahisi. Then politically pia mbamu maitibunari. And these are political positions saranga ni kwa yo. You already bad on Maramani, what is the strength of Matia? So it is my sincere, like also just before I give my conclusion, it is that for Matiang to be called the kingpin, he must unite us at the ballot. After uniting us, negotiation after we have finished the elections. So as per today, Mogusitara chamo MPs Durajireta chose chimo senators Kiromont and Matiangi. So that even if he makes any negotiation, Matiangi nara where is built in a very election never. So it is I have a feeling that Matiangi, first of all, he needs to be at the ballot. And your chair to Matiangi nationally is 5.2 million or 3 million or 50,000. So council can negotiate. I might think about the 50,000 votes on the table. Because negotiation can either be pre or post.
Okay. I okay, I agree. Partly I agree with what you say, but another thing, what happened to Nyachai when he knew he was very nationalistic, completely. Let me give you an example. If you, I believe you were still politically involved in 2022, wasn't quite at least. Did you know Gachawa? Gachawa was just a first-time MP. He was not known anywhere. Do you think running mate? So if we are talking, if you are given a running mate, it gives you a national exposure. It gives you a chance to create more networks. Okay? Like in the Quran, whatever. Single-handedly. No nyangusini yako nyora bachumbe tako kombi tako nyono na bachumbe no embatan. Endo ko man. E kaira already mo
I so cold. Ngoja tu the point nga ya China volunteer kanyoro very kingpin. Either way China benefited from that, Busito ka benefit in return.
What did we benefit? What did we benefit? Gusi has always had ministers, so there is nothing special about it. And also,
the idea of unity, the
unity, yes, a unity more the way and say make every day. A unity, Nyachai was not a regular person. Nyachai was not Matiang. Nyachai was funding these people. Some of these people were owing him some loans, so they had no. Nyachai this way, back and this way. You get the point? Nyachai was capable to campaign. Do you know to the campaign somebody? Yeah?
Nyachai kata rusi tikwekero.
No. Oko rusi ukodi no lakini nika jita ko rusi bulili ndi ya rusi tikwekero. Tuosebe kara ajata tuosebe ne kara banya bereki. King bin wano manyeleka nyombosa.
Yeah? Let me give an analogy.
Before you give an analogy, David, I want to give the point that I wanted to counter my friend's argument. When I look at your example of Waminyoro, by the time he was going with William Ruto, he did not know his word. I'm telling you this. If you look at it well from the third eye, Waminyoro did not know his ability in Mount Kenya. Tamanye thing I can pull crowds which can translate to votes. Tamanye. Because William Ruto
more as a leader UDA.
Karai why? Gachagua, it is when he's starting to know Inki are capable of. That's why every language they are Mount Kenya to keep on reminding the people that is there is the one. He keeps on telling people that one you've had it not once, not twice, but severally. Trying to let them know that I'm the one who has presented myself to that particular position. And his worth will be in 2027. No, I'm just telling you, Naki. Even just an appointment to be the running mate, still he did not know his worth. That's why William Ruto amwete kumimpeach, regardless of the thinking yaman. Akamwa kumimpeach because this person, of course, tema nyeti warning. Tema nyeti ba mchaitwa koranga tabu the vote shit. And indeed it was true. It's only getting Gachagua is building himself. He's building himself, starting with the party, coming together with the numbers. So 2027 is working very hard right now to show the people what he's capable of by either bringing on board a number of MPs in parliament. So I feel that Matiang'i has to be at the ballot either way, if he wants to be a politician in the country.
Difference ya Gachagua na Matiang'i the way you are talking about. Okay? Gachagua knows what he wants. And he's working every day. Gachagua has never missed his what? He wants 100 members of parliament from Mount Kenya, then he will go to the table to negotiate. Okay?
Good. He wants to know his what?
So, listen, he wants 100 members of parliament from where? Mount Kenya.
Yes.
Concentrate. Bonere, na kiokorwa, hata ile komexonga, epatinere popular, nere kwerende. Kilo mondaga tenga, ega antabore tikoro patiye, tingo kore kwerende. Tingo survive. So, doja bono kusi. Ndio korwa bagu choro. Matanga yako ba. Wachumba abantu baje babeke sako. To ikera Matiang'i. Tuwedere. The bad thing is that 70-20% of MPs they don't come back. They are constituencies that go come back. The opponent because politics is about personal interest first. Bono onyendi are to kanene na wapate plan mneyo anango oanze kwa makinga uzi kiraze kutijana ananga bono ega omekiringa osoro na kingo dili no so eta tone ko seti osoro aje ose imoro kinga I'm going to take him out bone Gachagua ero mata ko te kwa na wote baganga kangata Gachagua ngo te mako chiga otenga okay na kyote kitu tari spare
alimtoa kwa Linda Mwananchi sahi akaenda kwa
sindio because alimwambia niko na watu tayari kusimamiza huko
akaogopa
mtabi angobono ingobona igarero aba bale bajire Linda Mwananchi kwanako barababeke tano hene negendo yako kananya Jubilee ne bako ndali Mwananchi baro kana kwende
na kina hata kete kuruere anaro chiga oyo rangere Matiang'i akamwekia sababu Matiang'i was clear oyo kwanza oyo orete Matiang'i ase serikali akamwaka moroserie rieta uyo kurukuru hapo babu tuntorochi Matiang'i na kia akorete process ya gacha kutoka kare World Bank tutu atito kustokera Matiang'i ori World Bank akamanya kumuruhusia ali akamotaya binchu otenene wararire one egento kego cha kobari ekemo kulingana munjebuna narorire Kalonzo nero gocha kwa egu obo presidential candidate wa opposition
ayo mwana windu Kalonzo already ore negotiation na Ruto na kiako mo running mate
fake nini okay na arore binte lakini njengo chitamu as fake ngio manyete na atebera iko Kalonzo uwa momeki akabe party leader ya Azimio walodino ande okorora Gachagua kerokorora Gachagua ari kinda Gachagua tari kinena no kunya kokosera na bakunga
ntomanyete jwaro is no
bona ira chikura mbokamba bakubwata n'abakamba n'aba gikoyo barosiri Central Alliance kibaganira ate mambi namutegerera sana iga egesa ate babategete komo korogosige kuna Western Alliance ekero korosi Western Alliance abaruya n'abange kubua abagere bari opposition kubwa abagusida umuntu kwegu moja kwa moja kiroko keri kia deputy president naliagera accommodate vijana zivuna nyata yabikunju toko bo prime minister era nisawa inuna munyakora rameka eroma itemuna kubu na ndo chiro kokoregasi sabu atishida lakini Gachagua ise kobu astayara ya gukasi aya Kalonzo asa aise kobu astayara ya gukasi aya Sifuna baise kobu nga ya nyako kolegasi so nani Matiang'i tari politician na kiata kumere ti umete politician nere gukuminga ki ngise ko gurende mugati onenga yuko Jacoba iko Matiang'i era ta kumeti kwararire iko ntobe kamo na se nkoronga Matiang'i okore siasa enjere bangire sababu babo onyonga batebi gunga nubono chibesa cha mabuta ngechi chibesa cyo gwake campaign ngechi bono asoko kuchibesa kuse no ogochi kwa
Okay. Okay.
ona bere igo abangwa nabo bachire ba naigire sense kete ba mekiri bono ntukunyara kurusi Ruto igo tutamu ko bange 2030 tukulingana maito mongwano nakwa nangaba ikoyo nanda banda bangira bakora abaiko na bato chandire kera barabuye kora bago chamo kuno muntu minto warali ora basiasi rego na bango takasiasi waku wana nje namanya
David atulisojangia
je bwana okay
Paduki But then the show has been entertaining.
Yeah.
But mwezi mmoja watch kuruka. I hope mwezi never go see ena maneno era. Kero kendo kora kani to join the search conversation yet. You just send me the link. I mean the name, the word join on WhatsApp. Ena maneno WhatsApp is 0740506234. When you send me the word join, I'll send you the link. It's just a one-step thing. After one press a link here, it will bring you direct to this stage. I'll just accept you in and that is it. The reason as to why I prefer WhatsApp text is because when I put it in public last time, it cost me a lot of channel. That's why now I go request and you're going to join the conversation page. Just send me the link on WhatsApp and I'll be able as well to include you. Oh no, ngati chinza chikire to ufunge show. Yes. So, today it has been very long. 2 hours, 18 minutes with 17 seconds.
Abangona babacha maya kaba abana bacha mbu yaseringo kuina ko tebire kiri wasieka aba betewe congratulations ejira mu abekire siasa I have come to konga ekendo na ko tebi mokwa mtu aba gusi pato ntura abeka na muntu kwate kendo keringa oyo magaso okire ntuta yitku mubwates
Unmuted. Jared, you mute yourself.
Oh, okay, sorry. Nango te wankeringa aso te wo mugusi no kumera namo for just a common era wa kongo ne echa ento ayo ga we bonus etayo ngati ko kanyanga bachumbere ndi bagusi bonso beka namo batebanga yendo te siasa yenegento osakaro chombe che iguru ko para muina bachama batebanga bone kene kerito gochera namo Gose karo pata ito kwa nga es kiali te ta kwende e mi tombire komo ni nango ko barba ko tenga wono re runtu te tiek ga to cham lakini wono ko na kire gento onde ta yo de ko angiri yo ndabe ababe kam
Pero mundar kivyake.
Kyo mundar gija nda wisano ja yara gere amanga na yo
gwaro je kuna ndwara ategete kura muuru mpaka bari serikali mepaka motevi we
bono bravo toda tuare interest yo mugusi na rito banyara gore lakini bono iga nyago tenga abantu bago siri Matiang'i abatangani mbali batete boka bacho ba mugita abande mbacha na kieko kare karago ta gusi una mukwago cho nyakole yori ko nyono basongere betangi
kanga makwaire platform akora ndokora live media abantu ba subscribe na ronyore benefit
mbako mutiga ikange bona nditeke mbako mutiga
nande committee nere rosiri kuru America nere the shots teteke tigo tiga mota
ndo timono kwanje na morio se cosmas no ale na watu atengai
ndubona toko cha ikari tuko liririo moiso supirite erore buse ndobwate byama byabusi yo maete banga mchinga akirefuka mwerevu wa masakani no Matiang'i yako cha kukupinga siasa na baya arenge iga
wale wa muko bagira Matiang'i
na boi
wana kwa igule bana bando to bwat
ani go David go bagira Matiang'i como somi eleson
urati for example meteri swali bila tutata irane lipato pi nkibabo kibagendi babona ni bakurikia ziri na mwananchi uroche kirungu kangata achietera kinu ire ndirase tato mwabo uchi kumubegere ego
nche kera jare dakwa nege ndige chibesa no namanyira that's the readers why bangwana bambari chukobori kerego national bangwana aba all their seats are local. They don't need Sifuna to win a Gusii seat. And go choru kitutu masaba aganit Matiang'i. Onyonga go choru Matiang'i aganit. Kibagenda go choru Matiang'i aganit. Ingiba go rasi Sifuna. There is nothing about what to chase Matiang'i. It's simple. Chibesa no script by
Chibesa chu koru. Akoro kuuru tiga bono tutika kobisa ekero uru akatanga uyu kifaru ekera akatanga uyu ndo kifaru wa kasi ando tomira baba poli ni njoroka ase Sifuna na ere bare ate kifaru ya kasi onde kwani atete ko ate kifaru vya kasi wangapi
ranyare ndali uru ko bafanda
diamata bane gendo kerega diamata bane gendo ke kokera kala tiga ebine bintu bako na ngene libosaga inki karole mondia ko karole monno bochumba ko boli ke ko muchandero sometimes imbago to ngaina ntoli bantu ba no mate eralia ya mochi ba sere ngeko yo era libune babu ata tulanzo ya na ko no mate chiba sere ngeko yo
chirijo sibera amatu kali abe batu megetange to debe 10 million
Kaka changaru ngaba changaru million ya mo so ibe kanyo wota konya
chiricho choko changa kwasa ndopwati clarification ndoko nyara ko kumanyanga
yo no ngata bere ndokere iga umane karto wata ni umane ka kirende mo ngita mageno kinda bata yo man politics ko evolve every day. Today's enemy is tomorrow's friend. Matiang'i aja umundu nagote Matiang'i aja te koru US on the invite ya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. The plan was planned a long time. Again, the Canadian the plan kiana kucha. Uhuru working with Ruto. Uhuru has never left Ruto. Omanyanga bantaba is their only interest. Uhuru wanted somebody who to kill the mountain. Bakabeka ngabono Matiang'i agocha. Actually, they don't care about Gusii because Gusii would always divide. Gusii Nyamira always ni get off position near Nyamira the work and a person. Okay. egento batagete Matiangi abagane central kikura ja central. Wherever they will take it, that is another old story. That's why you saw Matiangi spending more time in Mount Kenya than even in Gusii. Lakini Gachagua has proved that Turgonya Rakopenya Rally. Ntobwate karotobwate abantu chi finance cha politics yachi chibwate friends na enemies. Uhuru akobwate wa Ruto o Matiangi o Gachagua o oyo onde bwezi okoira ni amufandeti. So that is why akufandi akabogoli na bolo tegenda kamo in another media onye Jubilee yatangazire nga Matiangi nero koba a presidential candidate. Umanya ko imoka ochora Kalonzo kobe party leader ya Azimio. In that structure takobeka Matiangi anywhere. Are you seeing? Oyonde Kioni was going to bring problem. Bakamusukingora iga. No matter Kioni actually was the one already consistent korari Jubilee na Matiangi. Lero muntu babegete ninkobori nona e mukono manye zakanaja noni mo ya Jubilee to komanya. No, yes, I would no inside. I can't remember how much in Karango one. But I reckon I'm not going to know them as I got a general in Sibuna. Just now, you go on.
Muchalega linge kala yo dima chagi algo be karo buto. Aro tu ba do muri ke timba meji.
That is the problem. Because she has a yoto na bachia suga. Njebuna na hotel. Aba minto molega abudende mocho motora no yonde na de transport ya karagocha mo motiga ya nebos niwete maragango jarago mo mai sano de mo motiga bosa.
Oh, ngandara America.
Oh, na bwe onko simadina wana wala moto era isano. Era na kosa mumbe.
Lakini jena agiri kiramugo kwa na politics na beta ke emotions. Sababu
omuntu tutete gotebia mwana uyu minto mukwa ntotageta a expand na mukwa njenga ngona gote to ba psychopath notageto onyore ayebono ko be mitiete korari gerikro kirensemo ntoma eta so bwegera lakini sometimes abantu ko bari mbago jiza ba koranga o kwate one sided paka kwa prime sided sometimes nda ko kero kora kole wajumba wa uzinga ngaimure.
Bwana nchana analysis ya ngise ngo baka na Matiangi ngo murande kutagaki.
Lakini rende igona gotebiria nga into kurigereria into chikochi.
Bwana nchana the platform is open through is one ndiko sina wango shaka. If you send me the word join and give you the link, you bring your opinion. Bwana mbango so show. Osoro is coming soon.
Ntoje toja yebona ni bekingo janala gukwani na toko gore sort.
Asante.
Diana agenda. Tojo kwa.
We are finishing the start to limbia mno sana sasa ni.
Okay, asante.
Aya.
Lero ndero bwana. Lero ndero siasa nenko. Polo na agiri omete na arusi rie point ya sabango na babere na ndembia na abere na abere bakare.
Taikire saa 7 and the show has been there for 2 hours 20 minutes. Ya tura.
Ege ndokere na arusi rie sabango na babere. Ege Uhuru na Ruto babange tabanda ngokuona pale. They are not the enemies. Sababu Uhuru na enda netechi waziri chia cha serikali. So again to umuntu bangire gana end result no chondebi Gachagua after chikura agocha kwa neutralized siasa ya yagwa katari gwaka siasa ire safe mbeta babunge na baba kuguru ona muno ulio apishu lero urocho kugenda ne matatu egocha goika 2020 yo mutinyo gatano onyo rotigire Gachagua ochira sekindiki twashumunga nkindi kiope ochira ase power mbeto kubwati ase power chire yara
Ulitaka kunganya bone yaka Kawanjiko style.
Omate ebinte bibirega.
Tigazo discuss next time because of time. We will have better discussions when we get. We are going to have another show. Today is on Tuesday. We're going to have another show on Thursday. Ngorande toro signore chairperson ya Jubilee Party national chairperson, that's Kemosi. Tosange nere. Atueleza mangana Jubilee na kiabangite. But keep that point. Those which can you miss to discuss these particular issues. Toko na bona simati yangi to with a lot of order. Toko na ne party. So constituencies. No, constituencies story simati yangi abuate ndirichacha tabuate usi. In fact, that is going to be our next topic about the constituencies chagusi. Ndiri simati yangi abuate so far. Ndirichi atara capture so far.
Matiangyo nyakate kete ko wekonya kisiasa. Tigato ke tebe. Ya ta beno bosoku gotigero montonde. Ako erapi.
Atebe bakaika.
Anyore cha yibere agendo nyaka genda.
Aba kusima sipi bali muleka mugo totengera ku wherever place you are. Na kirembya mno sana so to what is here mukwa times na manenera. In case you want to join me on this particular conversations get on the live, you just send me the word join on WhatsApp and then I send you the link. It's just one simple step. Then you will join. What are your views? Generals. Now, if want to support the channel, the number is just still that one. That's the M-Pesa number. People have been asking, how can we support the channel? And that's the number still. Whenever you are okay, you can kindly support the channel. So to watch, despite you've taken long. David, thank you so much for creating time to be here always. Let's meet tomorrow on the Mukua Times English and Swahili version for the same discussions. Bye and good night, everyone.
Good night too.